See.
Hello.
Hello, gang.
I'm opening up the stream together
We're
because your
live.
bum ass didn't do it.
Well, that's not my job. That's your job. It's literally your job.
Also, your stream share is. Actually, let me restart my.
Guess
fucking-
what?
What? OBS.
Did it crash or
stop watching
something?
Your stream and rewatch your stream. Can you move your cursor around on your screen? Okay, it's working. Yeah. Why is my OBS not opening properly? I don't understand. It should be opening just fine right now, but it's not. OBS Studio. Please don't pull the cascade move on me. It's gonna hurt so bad if you do it. Oh, it did it. Fuck. I have to go through and manually select these again. JW Discord screen is this one. Why are you opening up over there, brother? That's the wrong window.
See the stream together, twin.
Because I'm fixing things.
Okay.
Oh my lord, this guy is unbearable. We need to kill him, I think. He's dead. He's dead.
It might
JW
be a
dead?
good idea. It might.
Alright, is that everything? I think I might be good to go live.
Cool.
I also hate whenever I open the stream together thing, it always says, join the call. Yeah, no shit, dipshit. That's why I fucking opened it up. Also, my mic's muted, so it doesn't fucking matter if I join the call or not. And also, I can't fucking find you in my list of recently streamed with. Did you, like, block me or something?
Yeah, I did, actually.
Something went wrong. Try again. Alright, there you go, bud. Okay, I think I'm gonna go live.
Hold
I'm
up.
hitting the go live button and we're gonna
Give me a
see.
second.
Oh,
It errored. Why are there two night bots? I believe one of them is from Twitch and one of them is from YouTube.
yeah. What
It's a little
error?
silly. Oh, did you not invite me to
together.
the stream together?
I did.
Oh.
You'll have to try joining again. It gave me an error whenever I invited you, and then it said, "Never mind, we're good." Bam. And then it
Can
invited
you
you.
invite me again?
I'll just send you. No, I can't actually.
Very cool.
I'll just send you the link. Here.
I love Twitch.com.
Yeah. It's a website that works. Balls. So true, Jerry. So true. Alright, I'm live now.
There we go. I am live now too.
Yay. And I can start the shared chat. Where you start bitching and whining
Jerry, you
about
should
it.
just hang out over here. This chat's so much better.
I must be live in order to start shared chat. I'm gonna blow you up. I think. I'm gonna blow up specifically this button. Oh, I'm not live on Twitch, apparently.
Oh.
Somehow. I'm live on YouTube, but not Twitch. I don't understand how this plugin is not supposed to let me go live unless I'm live on my main source. So I don't know how we got here, but we did.
Maybe your source changed.
Nope.
I know I had that issue a while ago where it constantly changed the source.
I'm not live on Twitch. You know why?
Why?
Because I was doing a bandwidth test.
Oh. Silly.
I was outputting to the wrong thing. Alright, I might be live on Twitch soon.
But I want to specifically harass Bit. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. You can do that.
Gross. I should be live on Twitch now. What the fuck? What the hell? Oh, there we go. Now my stream elements is saying things.
Plus, I hate Windows.
And now
You don't know
now
that
I
I'm
can
on
share chat.
Windows. There's
There
no
we
way to
go.
tell.
We know you're on Windows. What are you talking about, dog?
Nobody knows.
Those who knows.
Those who knows.
Alright, let me... Oh, there is sound. I thought I turned the sound off. I guess not. Weird. Let's see. Book. Sorry, you said something should be faster here. What was the something that should be faster?
Here, let me see. I don't have your screen pulled up. There. Like just the animation of it opening.
Just like entirely,
Like
like
the
everything
pages.
should
Yeah,
be
like
faster.
just the pages should be faster. Yeah.
Just
Does
the
it?
pages should be
Yeah.
faster. I
Didn't
don't
it like
100%.
rotate before?
It's actually the same rotation as before.
It looks different.
I think it's just a different positioning thing,
Maybe.
but it should be the same rotation.
Is that Benny Vivi?
Benny Viva,
Hello.
the goat,
What the heck is
who
that
shows up
slime thing?
since Bro shows up and sends peak emotes, and then says nothing else, and we love him for it.
This is true.
Yeah, so you can see it actually rotates. That's it without the position moving at all.
It looks like here. I know I have a video of the original.
You also have it in your game currently.
No, I don't.
Do you not?
Nope, I don't.
Oh, well. It's funny. Well, either way, you can figure it out. It's good.
Yeah, it
minus
definitely
the
looks
speed
like
thing.
look in Dante General where I posted the clip that you sent me. It's very completely different than it looks now.
Dante General. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'll be honest, I really don't know what to tell you about it because it kind of looks the same to me, but also I copied the keyframes from the old animation and put them into the new one. So they are the same, like, rotation value. At least should be. Unless... see, card, binder...
Like, I mean, if you look at it
system.
when it comes up, it's like a lot
Mhm.
smaller when it rotates. This one is like always large when it rotates. So, I don't know. Did you change the easing on it or something?
So there's the rotation from the old one. Here's the scale from the old one. If it'll let me copy and paste, please.
And you're scaling like the same thing?
Yeah, there's just like a node that is like the book.
I do hope the escape menu and the book inventory are separate. How do we tell them? I think the position is different.
Yeah, did anyone
Like,
hear
if
me
you-
tell him that the positioning was different?
Yeah, well, if you look at that, it like rotates in from below, but if you look at the other one, when it rotates in, it's like from below the screen, and then like the end of the animation is on screen. Does that make sense? I mean, it's not the end of the world. It's fine if it doesn't.
Wait, why not bottom? Anchor bottom? No, that's not something I can just directly add a property to. Sure, whatever, I guess. It's fine, it doesn't hurt that bad. Is this one anchor bottom? No, this is offset. This one's... yeah. Dude, copying animations in Godot is sometimes one of the most, like, egregious things of all time.
A little bit.
And I don't know why, and I don't know why it's not consistent. Like, what do you mean you copied the end of the keyframes? Like, you copied the values of the keyframes except for the easing? Are these correct? From 1.5 to 1, from 0.5 to 0. And then I'll kill the position keyframe.
I mean, it's also fine. I can always just tweak the animation. I just pointing out that it is not the same. And that's fine.
We decompiling Luigi's Mansion and learned that around 30% of the game's data is from a single arc, which is similar to a zip file that is embedded into the binary. I mean, it's kind of cool, to be honest. All right, there you go, JW. There's the book.
I can adjust it. It's fine.
Yeah, it does also have an issue that I would love to figure out, which is the there's a oh, that's doing some weird shit because of reopening it, but don't worry about that. You can see it like starts from not on the screen to like on the screen, and that's because the game freezes whenever you open it because of the cards being spawned.
Yeah.
Which I could probably just fix by like scooching everything over a little bit. Not much. a little smidge. Never heard any about. Ooh, that was cool. Oh, I see an issue that's happening there. If you reopen the book, like if you open the book, close it, and then reopen it while it's still in the opening animation, it does some weird shit with the pages, whatever.
You could just make it that like you can't close it until it's open, until it's like fully open.
Probably do that.
And you can't open it until it's there. Yeah. That one.
Also, so there are some weird things with this, but I'm sure you can figure it out potentially. But the actual turn time here, this is how long each page takes. And I thought that there was a...
okay.
Oh yeah, here's open time, which is... No, so this one is how long each page takes whenever you're opening the book. Those are the empty ones.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see that all of those, although they're a little weird. Or sorry, is that that may just be the delay, actually. I don't really know. I don't remember. I'll be honest. It's like some weird mixture of the both. Oh, sorry. It's because the animation doesn't actually open them until further into the animation. So from here to here. So like how long after it starts opening does it take for the pages, each one to move? So you can make them faster by doing that, which then requires you to move these over a little bit. Because those are the actual right page there. Is controlled by this keyframe.
Yeah. Okay.
And then if you move that too early, it causes issues where all of the empty pages disappear.
Yeah.
There's a lot of hacks here, but there's so much shit that needed to get this to work.
Yeah, as long as
Also,
it works and you keep spamming buttons doesn't break it, it's probably fine.
Yeah, I'm spamming buttons. I actually made it so you can't swap between pages too quickly or else it would break.
Cool.
Also, you love it when your favorite furry streamers while you're drawing. Yeah, GW streams on a pretty regular schedule. But also, what are you drawing? What are you working on? Excuse me. And then I need to get the settings menu working again.
Yeah.
Which... Oh, hey. Why are we doing that? Why is that card still facing my cursor? You shouldn't be doing that, buddy.
That looks pretty cool.
It does. I wonder if that's caused by like...
Maybe if you're like hovering it and then you turn the page while it's hovered.
It shouldn't? Oh, it is. I see. Yeah, it's a weird one as well because if I move it over here... Oh, I know what's going on. The second I move it onto this half of the screen, it goes back to regular because...
oh, interesting.
The way that the
because
pages...
it's like a new... I don't know. Never mind. I'm not going to try to figure it out.
To get the pages to turn across the center, I had to actually make each page, even though it's only like this section, is actually this overall rectangle. Each page is that. And so the book itself checks to see if your cursor is over here or over here. And if it's on this half of the screen, it will send GUI inputs down to this guy. And if it's on this side, it sends it to this guy.
That makes sense.
And so what this guy's seeing is there's no inputs. And then the second that I cross the halfway boundary, it goes back to normal. Yeah. So it's funny. Kinda. Oh, it's because I'm not actually hovering over the I'm not making contact with the viewport there whenever that's happening. But yeah. You're drawing furry art for a friend who hasn't received fan art yet. Tragic. So you want to try to recreate 2008 Roblox lighting in Godot with shaders. Is this imported the old? Yeah. It probably would be. I mean, I'm assuming it's just like a simple diffuse, but maybe not. Also, the 3D effect is a shader that we stole off of Godot shaders and have bastardized for like a year now. grafting new things onto it,
Yeah.
taking old things out of it.
Biddy, do you want to do more UI stuff?
Kinda not really though.
I'm joking.
What's up?
We just need a selection UI for the skins. Literally just something where it just like pops up and you can click. So, and then I also want to make him like hop into the pile of suitcases. I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, I don't either.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you could just do like a. Let me think for a moment.
Yeah.
You know what people never tell you about in Godot?
Uh-huh.
You can actually take an animation player and put it somewhere else and have it just work, I think.
What do you mean?
Like, because animation players don't store... They don't, like, say, like, specifically give, like, make this node do this thing.
Yeah, it's just like the path.
Yeah, it's the path. Because it doesn't have any reference to Finder here. It's just, like, period, which is the root... The root node of the animation. Where the fuck is... Oh, root node.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like technically what you could do is you could like you could take control away from the player and attach an animation player to their sprite, to his sprite, and makes him like do a little jump into it. I don't know if that's the play though. Probably
I mean,
not.
yeah, I could do that.
Old Roblox lighting is just the library it uses graphics. Godot does have a screenshot function, yeah. Godot has a fucking movie recorder built into it. It's not a great one, but it is a movie recorder. What was I doing? All right, let me make a list of things that I'm doing today.
Yeah. Here I have a small list of things that I have here.
Yeah.
Chess thing. I'll delete that because that's fine. Thought I had more things, but that's okay. I definitely have more things. I just don't have them written down.
I'm thinking about the settings menu. Again, unfortunately. Do I just like bite the bullet and port it into the book? Like I could.
I was thinking maybe we just do like what Gungeon does and have the settings menu be like separate from like completely separate from the book. We could even just do that temporarily.
Like what we've been like what I showed you before, which I think do you have that on yours right now?
No, I don't.
No.
Literally all I have is I have the exact same thing that I had before. It's where it's just this and this.
Yeah, I just don't remember where the exact thing. Okay, I see.
Yeah,
so there's not even pages.
No, there's nothing on here.
Yeah.
And I mean, Jerry was saying it should be separate, but
yeah, there's this thing that I had where you could like click down here.
Yeah.
And it would, do the thing. I'm just like thinking about it because I'm like I don't know how the fuck I could just fucking recreate what I did before. Whatever. It's chill. It's fine.
You could do that, or you could just have it that like that works. Sure, that's fine. I think one of the main things that will help this feel a lot better that I need to figure out, or one of us needs to figure out how to do, or both of us, is like more transition animations and things like that. So for example, when you like start the game, have you like hop into the train and like drive off, and then when you load into the game for the first time, I think I want to have it take you to the tutorial like with the train. And then trying to think what we would want to do, like when you go back to the hub normally. Do you want to be on the train? Yeah, maybe have the train just like pull up and you hop out, like it fades in and the train's like over here and it just slowly pulls up.
You should write those down.
Yeah,
those ideas
I will
you
do
said.
that. Did you push
'Cause
up
I do agree
the
that those,
train stuff, the train teleport
Nope.
stuff? Okay, that's fine.
not yet. I'm gonna finish up this binder thing and get it
Okay.
loading the settings menu, and then I will toss this change up because holy shit. I wonder if I can delete the old binder stuff.
Train animations. Animations.
Too.
So when starting game, go to. Oop, what did I just do? Oops. We'd be able to unlock more cat skins through good runs. Yeah, we already have some. They aren't like unlockable. You can just use them, but we will have like unlockable ones. Eventually, getting a JW and Biddy skin for Dante 9 would be extremely cute. I don't know if we can have a Vaporeon. That they might kill us.
Well, it's not a Vaporeon. It's a legally distinct aquatic feline.
Close enough.
So it's like it's different enough, you know. I think we could get away with that. Build with agent. How do I get rid of this forever? Get rid of this. Get rid of this forever. Turn it off. I'll figure it out later. Fuck yes. AI agents in the fucking terminal, not terminal, the text editor. I hate Microsoft. Have I ever told anybody that?
No.
That I just absolutely hate Microsoft. You try to remove the agent forever, it always comes back and annoys you like let me code in peace. So fucking real. I just like I did it on my Windows install, I think, but like I don't. It's one of those things where it's like you have to do it one time when you install it, and like hopefully never again. But like it's just been so long since I've done a fresh install of Visual Studio Code that I just forgot how I did it before, and I'm like, okay, sick, great. Binder.hide. What is binder? Binder container is the one that I think I want to hide.
Okay, well, I will work on what I can. Now, I want to make little mini train stations instead of the teleporters. Because right now, they're ugly. Okay. I'm trying to think. It might just be like a little sign with like a little bench. Maybe? But I don't know exactly what it should look like. Let me look up what like tiny train stations
all
look
over
like.
the place.
This is true.
I love copying my code over from an old script to a new script. How wonderful.
When's the balls update?
After post-launch, I think 1.1 is going to be the balls update. If not the modding update, then it'll probably be the balls update. You're talking about like this JW? Ignore what those cards are doing. Just ignore that.
I was initially I was thinking more of like what Gungeon does, where it's like the escape is the pause menu and then whatever. But this works fine too. Like literally both are fine.
Okay. Ooh.
I mean, Jerry might kill you, but
I know
Jerry, how badly are you gonna kill Bitlytic for not making it?
It'll probably be changed.
Normal.
It'll definitely be changed. it's just not being changed right now. Sorry, Jerry.
Yeah.
So what's going on with those cards is my question, because I don't know why they're... That's very weird. Ah, it's recreating them. I know what's happening. It shouldn't be doing that, but it is. Wait, no. What? It's not recreating them, but it is. I don't understand. Oh, I know what's going on. Okay, I think that should work, hopefully. You'll be busy playing Alabaster Dawn. I have no idea. I don't know what that is. Do you know what that is, JW?
Nope.
Tragedy unlocked. Yeah, there we go.
Yep.
That works. So that doesn't reset all the cards whenever you go out and back in. It does still have the fun placeholder text that I should probably get rid of.
Yeah.
Where if you haven't selected a card, it says ah, blah, 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 blah. What if I... type shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
What are we humming about? Hawing.
I'm trying to figure out what like the train stops should look like, and I'm struggling.
Have you considered... type shit.
Yeah, I have. Make the default choice the claw attack. Maybe we should have the
Please
claw
don't.
attack in there, but probably not.
What a terrible thing to have said.
No, I think it's fine.
Because it would have to be set up completely different because these are cards.
Yeah,
and we have like
yeah, that's fine. That's why I said, yeah, no, it's not.
I mean, like, it could be done, but like, I would want to fucking end
Also, this
myself,
is
I think.
very random, but the base crit chance should be lower. The base crit chance should be lower. It is too high right now.
Okay. Lower it.
No, why would I do that?
What?
That's literally.
What do you mean?
Your
Why would you do
job.
it?
It's literally
you
your
talking
job. That's
about?
what I hired you to do. Is lower the
That's
crit
not-
chance. That is literally part
That's
of like
not how
your
that
job
works.
description. I
My
literally
thing is
wrote it in
literally,
there.
I'm making shit right now, and you're
I
like,
wrote it in there.
lower it,
Yeah, like-
bitch. And it's like, okay. What the fuck, man? Well, then you better write it down.
Yeah.
Delete critical chance instead. Yeah, you know what? Fuck it,
No,
more
don't
critical
do
chance.
it. No. Okay, I'm just gonna start drawing stuff
If
and
I
hope for the
open
best.
this- Oh my god, this closed out of the fucking settings menu.
Oh, I forgot I made this the other night too. Giant pillar. I was thinking this is how you'll go to the next level, is you like step on it and it'll go meow all the way down.
It goes meow.
Yeah, it goes meow. Yeah.
That might be right.
there'll be like a little button in the middle of you to step on, like Elden Ring. I love Elden Ring. Please don't kill me.
Yay, that works. Okay, cool. So that doesn't... I can actually close out of this now without it breaking.
Any game that has critical chance without giving you a way to achieve 100% is minus 2 points in my review. Okay, then we'll make sure that you can get 100%. You probably
right.
can't. Actually, I don't remember what it is. We definitely have items that increase crit chance. I'm pretty sure Spicy Noodles does. Yeah, it gives you plus 10% crit chance, so if I got 10 of these, it would be 100%.
I think this should be fine. I think I'm good to call this for now. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to close Godot. I'm going to open up Visual Studio Code.
Yeah, it's 100% crit chance now.
And I'm going to replace this with my new code. Instead of having card binder new and card binder, I'm just going to make it 1. And surely this will not cause issues anywhere. How many places are there a reference? Oh, there's not even that many references to card binder new. Let's fucking go. Wait. That's not all of the references. Oh, because
if I get 10 of these, I'll have 100%. So why are you asking bit to load the base critical chance? Well, there's 10 items that add 10% crit chance, so that it equals 100. The base crit chance does not affect that at all. So technically, I think right now I'd only need like 9, because I think the base is like 10 or 15, but I think the base should be more like 5. Because it should be pretty uncommon, I think. Because that way when you get stuff that does add crit chance, it feels a lot more impactful.
Okay, can I just open Godot? Will it just be happy now? I can't wait. It's breaking 100%. Who made the parallax background? JW did. That is
me. I did.
That thing. Me. Yeah, that thing right there.
That thing. All right, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it does look really nice. Yeah, the I'm not allowed to touch the visuals in this game.
This is true.
Unless he's too lazy to touch them, and then he goes, Benny, can you write a shader for me, Benny?
This is also true.
Or, you know, like the animation of the book opening. Like, I had to make shit. Why is there no sound? Oh, there's sound on that one, and there's sound on this one now. Oh, cool. That's weird. I don't know what's up with that. I actually don't know what's up with that bug.
Is it only the first time you open it?
Oh, shit.
Ew.
I know what's happening. I know what's happening.
He knows what's happening. That's a new one. He doesn't usually know what's happening.
I'm doing... Where? On page change. This is not what I want. There is on tab pressed. Current page is this. Current page changed. Crap, is there a reference to group in here? There is.
.01% chance for the sound effect to say 6-7. You might be cooking. Hold up.
Oh shit! Why are we lying to people?
No,
you can just say no. That's a terrible idea. You can just say that, by the way.
No, that's a great idea. No, it's genuinely a
no one's stopping you from going, yeah, that fucking sucks.
No, it's amazing. It's amazing, twin. Keep it up, twin.
Do not keep it up, twin. Knock it off now. That looks so good. Are you talking about... I guess you're probably talking about this parallax background and not the actual level parallax background, which is this place. Honestly, the parallax does work way better than, like, a lot of parallax backgrounds end up working in my experience with Godot. I remember it took you like a lot to get it to work. Well, it's not even just that. It's just like setting up parallax sometimes is annoying as fuck.
I wouldn't say it's annoying to set up. It's more drawing it and making it look nice. It's hard.
The God Rays new? Nah, they've been in here for a while. They don't parallax, do they?
No.
What if they parallaxed? Like a
They
little
don't.
bit.
No, they don't need to.
What if they did? It would
Nope,
make more
they don't need-
sense.
Nope.
It would.
It wouldn't
What?
actually.
What are you talking about? You're smoking crack. The light looks
Yeah,
like it's
I
coming
am.
from slightly in front of the level. So whenever you go to the left, it should be more angled to the right. And whenever you go to the right, it should be
Nope.
more angled like up and okay, whatever, dude.
You're wrong.
I'm literally not.
You're
But okay.
You're wrong. You're like
All right,
always
I'm
wrong.
deleting the binder. All my code's
Oh,
gone.
no,
Whatever.
no, no,
Good
no.
luck. I hope that you can. Hopefully, you can tune whatever AI model you're using for the art, and you can use it for the code too.
All right, bro. We're killing you. It's not true.
Clarification: it's a joke. We don't use AI for the game at all. For anyone who doesn't know, this is a joke. Just like AI. Unfortunately, the joke is not as funny when it's actually
You
AI.
guys seem
because-
like great business partners. Yeah, we hate each other.
Yeah. What is this?
We don't
Why is
actually,
there a
but-
README in here?
Huh?
What is this README? Why is there a README for the fucking Shaker plugin that's inside of the repository? And why were there
Because I
changes
installed
made
the
to
Shaker
it?
plugin.
Why were there changes made? to
Why were
this?
wait, like
What the fuck just
recently?
happened? I have outstanding changes in this file. It's like something
Did it
auto
like
formatted
auto
them.
updated or something, or I guess like formatting maybe. It's
Yeah,
really
we
funny.
don't. This isn't even part of the fucking game anymore. Like, there's no.
I mean, it's probably
the
still
Shaker
in the
plugin is
plugin
just not there.
folder.
Huh?
It's probably in like the plugins folder.
Maybe. No, definitely not. No, 100% no. I got rid of that shit because I hated it. You two would totally kiss in deadlock while playing as Lash and Bebop.
Lash and
Why
Bebop
the
is a
fuck-
crazy choice.
First off, why are we like shipping me and JW? And second off, why did you portray us as Hitler and Stalin? Like, what's up with that?
Yeah, a little bit.
Also, I do have a linter, but not for. I don't run any sort of auto linting or anything. I also haven't opened this fucking file. Maybe I accidentally opened it in here, and then it like did something whenever I opened it in Godot. There's a chance for that. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like push up a bunch of fucking changes.
Oh
So,
dear,
good
I'm
luck.
scared.
You should be actually. You should be fucking terrified. You should be saying prayers right now.
6,
And if you're not-
7.
All right, buddy. Just a reminder that I know the real reason that you go to
All right, bro.
your what the fuck is this thing called? You go there because it's called Mass.
6, 7.
All right, buddy. Why was there a change to Boy Kisser? Oh, I see.
Because you probably made a change. I don't know.
Yeah, that's true. Give me a sec. I'm gonna lock in while I commit this.
Do you both use
this
VS Code
stuff.
and the editor for coding? No.
I actually I don't use VS Code for coding for the most part. The only time is like if I have like what I just did where I had some files that were like card binder and card binder new. I was like, I'm just gonna merge these through VS Code, but usually I just code completely in the Godot editor, and then I use VS Code for Git changes because that's
Yeah.
what I'm used to.
I don't know. Some people are like, ooh, VS Code is so much better. I'm like, I don't get it. But okay, twin.
I do think it is better for the most part. The only thing, so I don't like it because whenever I go back into Godot, it will do some weird shit sometimes. Also, whenever I was swapping from 3.x to 4.x during like the beta period, there was an
Mhm.
error where I would make changes in VS Code and it would update in Godot, and then if there was a debugger breakpoint, it would break on the line and show me the old version of the script, not the current version of the script, which is very weird. But yeah, I mostly use like the built-in editor. But one thing that's really, really nice about VS Code is like you can have floating windows. You can also split scripts across the way. Also plugins, just like better like commands. Like one of the ones I'll use a lot is if I have like an array. I actually don't know if I have this plugin. Maybe it might not even be a plugin. But if I have like an array of things, there should be like increment. Yeah, you can.
Should we look at
increment
Discord?
those.
I'm scared.
That doesn't seem like that worked. Oh yeah, there we go.
What is
Also,
this?
the multi-line support is also better in VS Code. What did you get sent?
Check the memes channel on my server.
Oh no. Funny.
It's
I
crazy.
hate that fucking gift that you send.
Why?
That cat looks AI generated. He looks AI generated.
He's not.
Really? I don't believe that. It's an AI generated ass cat.
No, no.
He's AI.
I'm not
I use VS
AI.
Code for work to use it for Godot as well. Yeah. Yeah, I can definitely see that being a very useful thing. I mostly just use VS Code because whenever I was going through college, I had to use VS Code for a lot of things, and so I built up like an understanding of Git and everything while using VS Code. So it's just like this feels like home to me. Minimap viewport. Oh yeah, I got rid of all of your shit that you did in here.
What? I don't know what I'm drawing here. I'm just drawing lines, hoping that I can make something. Maybe.
Yeah, pretty much.
Best viewers.
Aw. Man. They got that they got you hooked on that VS sauce. Yes, sir. Oh shit, I haven't even thought about that. Oh god, I shouldn't say this out loud. This is a thought that I just had in my mind, and I think that's probably it could get me killed, honestly.
Could.
Did you say good?
I said could.
You said good.
No,
That's
I know I
crazy.
didn't say that. That's not true.
I said it could get me killed, and you went good.
No, that's not what I said.
I wonder if Visual Studio itself works on Linux. Because I don't know what... I guess I'm just glad that I don't use C++ right now, because I would have had to figure out a C++ like development system, which sounds kind of terrible. Type shit. It kind of sounded like you were gonna do the Wild West thing, the like wow, 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 wow.
Yeah.
You know that one? You wouldn't get that one.
Yeah, I don't get that one.
Fuck, there was a thing that I was thinking about today that I was gonna bring up and say like to you about something. What the fuck was it? Oh
Yeah,
my
I'm
lord.
sure
It was
you
something
were.
about like childhood or something.
I
Like,
don't know.
like God, what did you miss out on as a child? Other like the obvious like
SpongeBob.
riding a bike or like
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. Yeah. Bob L'Eponge type shit.
Yeah.
Bob L'Eponge. Sorry. I shouldn't have done that.
Yeah. This is true.
What the hell's in here? Oh, this was the thing I was helping you with. I don't need to commit this. I hope. I hope I don't need to commit it. Can I get that back by chance? Thanks. What else is in here? Oh no, I do need to commit this. In fact, there was only one line in that where I didn't need it, so I'm glad that I undid that because that would have been a bitch to do again. Not really, I just would have been like, what the fuck happened here? And then I still need to commit that. Alright, looks like that should be everything. Hopefully. Yeah, alright, fuck it. I'll send it.
I'm scared.
New binder. Alright. Good luck, Chief. Visual Studio Code's on Linux. Yeah, that's what I'm using right now. I mean, like Visual Studio itself, like the full IDE built for C++ development. Okay, what am I doing today? You sent me and told me a couple of things. You didn't. Did you send me much? Okay, you didn't push up your changes like for the to-do list, did you?
No,
Okay.
because those are like very recent.
Hmm?
I said because those are like very recent things.
I see. Fair enough. Let me do a quick just once over of the text in the game to make sure that it's all functional and not weird. Like,
Text,
go on.
like what do you mean like that?
Oh, I thought you were gonna like. Oh yeah, there's the crash you were talking about. The because the font changed.
Oh yeah,
So
yeah.
the text. A lot
The
of
main
text was
one that
small
I
in the game.
know is
Ammo count.
item. Sure, that too maybe.
Item.
Item count.
Item count.
Yeah, like the items in the top left or
Mm.
whatever.
Yeah, yeah. I kind of hate that you're calling them items now because item feels. It feels like a generic thing that doesn't really mean much. Why did I go? I was like, my brain. I went into the tutorial or the start of the level, and I opened up the chest, and it obviously crashed because it doesn't have a loot table.
Mm-hmm.
But then I loaded back into the game, and I went and I opened the second chest, like the other one, and I was like, oh, surely this one won't crash.
Yeah.
What if I did it again? It'd be kind of funny.
This
I
doesn't
think I
look
just-
awful. It's like a little mini train
I just
stop.
want a relic, right? Just like relic drop. Does that still work? I think the answer is yes. Yeah. Whoa, boing. Oh yeah, you're right. This is small. Would you want this to be the old font, or do you want this to be the new font? Just like the correct
Old
size?
font I think would look better.
Old font.
Yeah.
Okay. Relic. UI. What is it? What is this called? Relic display.
Item display.
It's relic display.
It's item display because they're
It
items.
has. They haven't been called items until like recently, and I'm not.
They're
gonna,
called
like,
items.
I hate this motherfucker.
I love
Sorry, who
rage
said that?
baiting this
What the hell?
guy.
What the hell? Who said that? That's weird. Let's see. So we want this. He promised you want these to use the old font.
Probably, yeah.
Okay, probably is not a word I would ever use whenever someone says, "You promised this." Probably, maybe.
Well,
Maybe
what
not,
if I'm
though.
wrong? I don't want to be wrong.
No. What would this be called?
Sorry, bro.
I guess I could just call it like a number label. Sure, dude. Base type is a rich text label. And you will have this override. You will use the old font, which is Dante 3x5 mono for all of your font override needs. Okay. And in here, I will set this to be number label with the font size needing to be set to 20 by default. What if instead of streaming work on Dante's 9, I just played like a really old version of Dwarf Fortress that's like ASCII only?
That'd be so cool. I think everybody would love that so much.
Yeah.
I hate this guy.
Okay.
I'm back. Had to restart the router. Why are you restarting your router? Why would you do that?
All right, there you go, JW.
What? Huh? What? What? What did you do? Oh, I see.
Why is the fucking outline weird? Why is it blur?
Because you messed it up. I don't know.
I
Also,
didn't.
it needs to be more to the
What?
left. At the position it feels wrong. Maybe it's fine. Something's not
How
right
do I-
with it.
Chat, how do I tell him that I changed nothing except setting the font back to default or back to the old
No,
one?
maybe it's too big.
Or maybe is it because it was Dante? Oh, it's because I made it Dante 3x5 mono.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about, Twin.
Do you guys want to see JW's old games on Scratch?
No, we're not doing this.
Is it 3x5 or 3x5 V2?
3x5 V2 probably.
The confidence that you're instilling in this decision is insane. Whoa.
Wow.
Your awesome, amazing game you're making? Is it Dwarf Fortress? Or is it Caves of Cud or Cogmind? Or adjacent to any of those? If the answer to that is no, that's okay. If you don't think that... If you don't care about AI's impact on the environment, that's fine. God, he's got such a good delivery with things. Hey JW, can I point out an issue to you?
Yeah.
Can you look at my screen?
What's the issue? The outline?
Yeah, the outline
Yeah,
is
it's fine. I don't have anything we can do for that, I don't think.
You do.
What? And that is
Where's what's this level called?
room
It's a
hub.
train room
Hub.
hub.
Hub
Hub
level,
level,
sorry.
hub room.
Hub room. Yeah, there we go. It's the other way around.
So is this part of the tile map?
Mm-hmm.
Which tile map is it? Static core, I'm assuming.
Yeah. No.
Whoa, that's scary. I didn't mean to look over there. I'm so sorry.
Ground?
Looking over there.
It might be ground. Yeah,
ground,
because
yeah.
it's like interactable.
Fun fact, you can click these. That's very cool. Where's it at in the thing?
Benches at the bottom. Very bottom.
Bottom. What the fuck? Oh, is this... Wait, what? Wait, I don't understand. What is going on here? Is this one big thing?
Yeah, that's one tile.
Oh, that's one tile. Okay, that's why that is
Yeah,
weird.
Because you're never gonna
Okay.
place like half of a chair.
Yeah, I mean, I guess that's
obviously.
fair. I don't know why there are two of them then. I guess... Oh, because this, like... I don't know. what
The
the
game
fuck's
I'm
going on
making
here,
is the
actually.
best parts of your favorite games all mixed together into the peakest game ever. Wait, I might have to play this. Hold up. Does it have gambling? Does it have cases like Counter-Strike that I can like sell on an external market? And like gamble more? I love gambling. I love gambling. Sure, let's go.
Sure is a funny response to that. What's the... I don't know what's going on here. I don't know how you design this, but that's okay.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to make an
Where are you
occluder with this, but it's doing some weird shit.
Why don't you just
I
make it
know.
a rectangle? It doesn't need to match the shape like perfectly, but you know. And also, it's going to do weird things anyways, and you're probably not going to want to use it because
Yeah, probably. Whatever, dude. It's fine.
there's
it's
a reason they
whatever. I
don't
even
have
care.
occluders.
No, it's fine. I don't even care that much. Whatever. It's whatever. Literally doesn't matter.
Also, that's the small bench, so you're not going to be able to see it. I think there's big benches up on the up to the
No,
right.
it's fine. I don't care. I already removed it. So
This
it's
guy
fine.
like
Don't worry about
hates
it.
me.
Yes. Yes. All right. Anything else that needs to be texted? Any text that needs to be fixed? the spawn menu.
But anyways,
menu's funny
yes,
because
it will look
it's-
weird because,
Yeah, if the player runs in front
yeah, if
of
the
it.
player runs in front of it, all of the light will just like disappear,
Mm-hmm.
and it will not look particularly nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, see? What would the font size be by default? It's 50, right? I think. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, that's fun. I didn't know
I
it
love
would do
lying
that.
about what games I'm making. Yeah, lying is like so fun.
This is true.
You can blame Bitlytic for everything.
Mm-hmm.
It's always
That
his
one's
fault.
not a lie, though, so you can take him at face value on that one, although I would never really recommend that. JW is not to be trusted.
What?
What?
Was?
Bosses does? There we go. Yeah, that's a fun one. I can hear that moving in the background, and I don't know why, because I thought I told you to stop fucking doing that whenever I'm not tabbed in. Ellie. It's not you. UI sub Prev, I believe.
Making a totally 100% original game called Dante's 10. So true.
I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I forgot process and physics process are not the same thing in this function where you can set physics process and process. Oh, Alien, I'm going to give you a little piece of advice. If someone comes to you and says, do you want to work on my game? And the name is a reference to a book they've never read and has a number in it, run. Run. It's not worth it.
It's worth it, twin.
I don't know how he found out about where my family lives, but it's scary.
Don't worry about it. Why is this not working? Oh, I see.
Oh. Why did that crash? Boy Kisser crashed. What? No.
Car
Hey, actually,
crash.
What? That's funny. Why did car crash? Oh, because
The game I'm actually making has cats. What? That's so original. It's never been done before.
JW guy's like kind of a terrible person, don't you think?
Yeah, a little bit.
What if I added it so
What if we
that,
went to a Weezer concert? I think there's a Weezer concert coming up soon.
Oh, dude. What if... No. I don't think so.
Also, oh, another thing that we need to have is right now, if you are on the map and you press escape, it opens up the menu. And I hate it so much, and it's going to annoy people. It should close
true.
the map.
Did you pull changes?
No, I have not, because I'm messing
What
with
the
stuff.
fuck are you doing, dude? Well, it changes, man. Pull my finger.
All my changes, twin.
I don't even know what that means. You don't even know what pull my finger means. This motherfucker doesn't have a brother.
Yeah, this is true.
Yeah. Also, yeah, I see what you're saying about that. I wonder about the minimap. Percy Jackson 28. You know what, dude? I might be cooking with that one. I don't know what the significance of the number 28 is. But, like, is JW an only child? You would think so. He definitely gives off only child vibes, but no.
That's crazy.
That's not that crazy.
Do you like the new
shipping
train
here.
station, by the way?
Huh?
This is what it looks like.
Whoa. That looks cool.
It needs a little sign that says like train station or something.
It needs to have a lantern on it that isn't lit up, and then whenever you complete the room,
Yes, that's. I was
lights
thinking
up.
like, how do we indicate that you can use it? Because right now it just like hides it, and that looks weird.
There's
That it just
also
magically appears.
there's one thing that's in Stardew Valley. Whenever you complete every 5 floors in the mine, you unlock like the elevator that lets you go down to that floor, starting there instead.
Mhm.
And whenever you get to those floor, it does like that floor, the elevator light is off, and then it just like turns on and does like a little like ding, which is like a nice thing, you know. When does Dante do the casino heist? That is the 4th floor.
Yeah,
I
we
think.
haven't made the casino level yet.
If is maximized and use action just press what is it called? UI cancel, I think is the one I'm using for that.
Let's see. Does it work?
Does what work?
I don't know.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
As an only child, you're very surprised to hear it. No, genuinely, he gives off only child vibes.
This is not true.
It's kind of true as fuck.
Did these still break? Can I not open these? I'm not opening them.
They still break, yes.
Very cool. This Billetta guide didn't fix anything.
Mm-hmm.
We should probably test this. Whoa. Yeah, I can adjust the animation. It definitely needs some changes. It's like, it's too big when the pages turn. It feels like it's like shoved in your face.
Smell my pages.
Yeah, like it feels like the pages are like poking you in the eye.
Ouch. Yeah. Oh. Oh. What the fuck? Why does that not?
Oh, that made a funny noise.
What did?
It plays the sound like 5 times at once when you when it arrives over here.
Which side?
That sounds really bad. Can I request a song to play? Yeah, sure. Also, I probably have some songs that are like breaking whatever copyright or whatever.
That was in my chat, by the way. So you answered for my chat.
No, that's
You're
my
telling-
chat. That's my chat. I'm playing the
Did you
song.
not?
No, also when
Wait, what song
the
gets played? Wait.
when the train drops you off, it's
Oh, it
too
plays it a
low.
second time, yeah. You don't care which chat, yeah. No, I'm not playing it. Yeah, you should play it, JW. You should listen
No,
to the
I
song.
don't trust you now.
No, you should play the song, dude. It's really good. I'm sure it is. I'm sure you would like it, is what I'll say.
No.
The fucking text is
So
overlapping.
you can just move him to the left a little bit. The shop needs to be remade anyways. It's really ugly.
A little bit.
Ugly ass shop.
Yeah, you should definitely listen to Yonka Gore. Sure. It's like your kind of music, I think.
Sure, twin.
I haven't fucked with this menu in a minute. Does this still work? Oh, it does, kinda.
Kinda.
Ooh. It doesn't, kinda.
Probably work on
The
that.
text is tiny.
OMG, Biddy knows.
I know the name, and that's about it.
Biddy has like really bad music taste. case you didn't know.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Let me just I just want to ask a question, JW. How many Sleep Token songs do you have saved on Spotify?
That's a good question. Let's see.
If the answer isn't 0, I win.
That's not true. You have more Funko Pops than me.
I don't.
I've seen your Funko Pop collection. Do not lie.
I do not
Do
own
not
Funko
lie.
Pops.
Stop
You're doing
lying.
that. He's doing
Stop
that
lying.
thing. He's doing the thing I'm talking about.
Stop
Let's fucking go, dude.
lying.
I'm so proud of him, man. He's doing it. He's doing the thing. Holy shit. He's not gonna be able to keep it up. He's trying to do the thing where he's like lying to like make himself seem better. He's doing the gaslight thing for everybody. He's come so far, dude. He used to
He
not
took all of
lie
Viddy's
ever.
Funko Pops? No, you're not supposed to do that. He's gonna like that. He likes when people steal things from him.
What is that? What?
That's why I took all of his tacos out of his fridge when he bought Taco Bell and left it in his car for 6 hours.
He's losing the plot, I think.
Did you guys ever hear about that? He literally bought Taco Bell and was like, yeah, I'm gonna leave it in my car for like 6 hours and then I'm going to eat it because that's very healthy.
It was like
And then he complained that he got sick.
2 to 3 hours.
It was
Well, first
at
of
least
all-
4 hours.
Okay, well, we'll say 4 hours. Sure. 4 hours does not spawn influenza.
It
On
literally
tacos.
does. Also,
If they do not have...
he
No.
didn't even get like, he got tacos and all they had, it was literally just like beef. He
Yeah.
got beef tacos. That was all that was in the taco
Yes.
was
Yes, sir.
tortilla and beef or whatever. Yeah, whatever the taco shell is called.
It is a
Taco
tortilla,
shell.
'cause it's a soft taco. Because
Okay.
soft taco is infinitely
I couldn't
better than
remember if
hard
it was
taco.
soft taco. This guy, yeah, that's insane. Like at least get some like lettuce.
No, Taco Bell uses shitty ass iceberg lettuce. I'd rather not do that.
At least put some cheese on it. Come on. Oh, like you can't.
By the way,
Did
for
you guys
anyone who
know this
doesn't
guy
know,
can't
JW is
eat
like kind of a
cheese?
terrible person.
This is not
I can't
true.
eat
This
dairy
is true.
because I'm allergic to it. And this motherfucker, he walks up to me. He's like, "Dude, they got mozzarella sticks here. Do you want some?" Bastard.
2 years in a row, by the way.
2 years in a row. The first time accidental. The second time probably still accidental. To be honest.
This is
with you.
true. Now what am I doing? Oh yeah. Where is the code for the train like spawning in and like exiting?
Oh, I don't know.
Dog, you wrote it.
What?
I'm
do you
killing
mean?
you. Like the train
I don't understand
animation.
what
Is it in train animation? Is
I
it
reject
here?
the premise of your question. Why can't you have both? Oh, hold up. I gotta pull up the image. Where's my phone? I gotta send it to you in DMs so I can pull it up.
Where? It said leave. We want. Wait, do we want spawn? No, we want leave. No. Wait. What the? What was Twin cooking up here?
Wow. No, you're so right, Discord. Whenever I wanted to send JW an image on Discord, I definitely wanted to accidentally tap his tag in the "who do you send this to?" and you should show me the Uni server. That's what I was curious about. When I'm sending an image, I did want to know
This
what that
is
tag was
true.
from. Here's just there's a really cool image here that I'm gonna share with chat that happened. I want to say it was yesterday or 3 days ago. It looks like it was on the 25th.
This is fabricated.
So just like just information for anyone curious, I guess.
I'm trying to figure out what the heck do you do here and why does it look wrong?
What is what, huh? Oh, I don't fucking know. Good luck. Sorry.
Oh, I see what you
Sorry.
did. No.
JW is my favorite trans femme furry. Hold up, I gotta send it. I gotta take a screenshot of that and I gotta send that to people.
Wait, why does it
It's a good
rotate
one.
down? Why does the train rotate down before it rotates up?
I don't know.
What were you cooking?
Not much. I was like
What is
very late into the
this?
day. I was very late into the day, and you
You're
were
supposed
like,
to be
"I need
good at
this."
animating, dog.
Nope. Not that day. Oh, this is the shop. This is the forge. Oops. Wrong menu. Sorry, dog. Yay. This has the correct text size now, at least. Well, I don't know what the fuck's going on up here. I don't know. JW, do you have any idea of why the fuck this would be 2 dots instead of whatever was what is supposed to be up here?
That's supposed to be the charges, I think.
Oh, that's supposed to be charges? Why the fuck is it 2 dots?
I don't know.
Fair enough. Card visual.tscan. Oh, it. What the fuck is happening here? Why do you look like this? Oh, wait. What?
Hello, good Pim. How are you doing? Is that Pim from the hit show Smiling Friends?
Yep, that's Pim from Smiling Friend.
Smiling Friend.
Yeah, rest in peace. Check on your favorite neurodivergent person. There we go. That's correct.
Why is
Where
this
the
scale
fuck
as
is my
well? It's
cursor?
weird. Ability guy does not know how to animate. It's a little crazy.
Ability guy doesn't know how to.
Yeah.
What is my cursor focused on, I wonder? Something's wrong, something's broken. Good thing I have a debug menu to show me what's happening. DD, UI layer stack. What song is it?
Newbie metal melody.
Oh, I have that one in my thing. That's the one that is the Mixolydian thing that I talk about whenever RuneScape gets brought up.
I hate this guy. My name is a Mac Miller reference, by the way. Nah, you'll forever be Pim from Smiling Friends.
Yeah, your smiling Pim friend.
Assign
Why the
Smiling Friend at Twitch chat.
What element am I focusing here? I actually have no fucking clue. Don't worry, I'm not speaking to you. I'm speaking to myself. You don't have to answer.
I don't know.
This will not be on the test. It's chill.
Maybe that looks slightly better. Now I need to figure out why it's playing this. Sorry.
Mhm.
Sorry. Talking is hard.
Yes, sir. I don't understand. Like sometimes, like if I tap out and back in, sometimes I can't get back onto the.
Oh, this is Bitlytic too. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. I'm the cooler streamer.
Hidden
here, though.
King. I'm the Hidden King. Yeah. Yeah.
Mitlytic. Yeah.
Yeah. Signed to Midlytic at Twitch chat as well.
So when is it playing the sound? Is it
Good question. I don't know. That one's part of the animation, I think, right?
No.
Did you make it part of the animation? No? Okay.
Play sound.
It's part of the animation, no?
Nope.
You promise? There's no call method track that's calling the play sound? Hey, that's weird. That looks like an animation track that's calling play sound. That's fucking bizarre, isn't it?
So why is it playing it like 5 times though is the real question.
5 times?
Oh,
It shouldn't be. It
wait.
should only be playing it a second time.
Wait, this is leave. Why is
Mhm.
it? I mean, it's playing
Yeah,
it
we're
like
both
5 times at
we're working on the
once.
same game. I'm doing the programming for the game.
Yeah,
He's,
unfortunately. It's like
He's the
kind of
original
messy.
person.
Speaking of
Yeah,
sound, JW,
JW,
promise
you-
no.
You promised to
didn't.
listen to Yankagor music.
No, I'm not
or
doing
whatever.
it. I don't trust you anymore.
Wow.
Okay,
Any
let's
scapers? Scapers.
RuneScape?
Oh, RuneScaper. No.
We hate RuneScape.
I
around
used to play
here,
RuneScape when I was
so-
younger. I tried playing RuneScape for a little while, but I need too much engagement for my brain. But I do get some RuneScape references because I watch a YouTuber named Simple Flips, and he talks about RuneScape a lot.
Here, Biddy, can you just like watch my stream for a second and turn the audio on? I'm pausing my music. You can
Sure.
keep your music going.
Yeah. Let me
And
mute my music.
yeah,
And then
it
let me
does
put on
weird
your
stuff, and I
stream on my
don't
screen.
know exactly why it would be doing that. So if I
All right,
teleport,
let me put.
sound is fine, and then when I get here, it plays
Oh,
it
what the
like
fuck?
multiple times. Yeah. I don't know why.
It sounds like there's a compression on it or something. I don't know. That's
No,
weird.
it's playing multiple. It's playing multiple
You promise?
times. Yes,
So do
I
me a favor.
1000% promise.
Okay, so that's great.
I will
I'm just
put a print on this to see if it's playing this multiple times because I'm pretty sure it is.
Yeah. I was gonna
Because
say you can do
why it
that.
sounds like that is because
They're like slightly offset.
yes,
doing, like, a
because the
phaser
pitch
thing.
is slightly offset. So yeah, it sounds weird.
But it's also weird because it's not doing that on mine. Yeah, it's only playing it.
Yeah, it's playing it twice.
Weird.
And I don't know why.
That's a
it's
very
playing it
cool
twice.
sounding phaser effect though, but like it's not good.
All right, bro. Okay, I'm resuming my music. I'll figure out.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, get it out of. Okay, sorry. It hurt. Let me see if mine is playing it multiple times.
Okay. Because it might
the
be, and you just
train.
like didn't notice because you're like weird like
Well,
that,
it
you know?
literally sounds different on yours than it does on mine. Like just completely.
Mm-hmm. Is it like maybe playing like maybe it's starting the animation for like a frame and then starting it again for some reason?
JW, you should play different music. Do you have any recommended songs
play
that
different
JW should
music.
listen to?
You don't like my music?
He's gonna say Yonkagor again. You don't like my music? Pleading emoji.
Literally. Sea Shanty 2. I think it's in this playlist somewhere here. I'll skip to it for you.
It is playing it multiple times for me, but it's not going. I wonder if is it a frame rate issue? No, what's your frame rate?
I don't know.
Is your frame rate 60?
Here you go, Sea Shanty 2. You're
I know, I'm
slightly
off.
off. You're off. You're off.
Yeah, I know, because you said you started playing it, and I know that motherfucker doesn't have like build up.
Yeah.
Check your frame rate. Check your frame rate.
Check my. How do I do that?
I don't know. Debugger, settings menu, fucking anything. There's like a gajillion ways to do it. You don't have to go back to spawn. You don't have to go back. You don't have to go back. Oh, you could do that as well. Yeah.
60.
60. Hmm.
Hmm.
Oh, that's an interesting one because it definitely is playing it a second time for me. It just does not sound the same at all. Like here, give this a listen.
Oh, I hate this guy. By the way, we don't actually hate each other. Definitely not. That's not.
Like, do you hear it? There's no. It doesn't sound like
Oops,
that
I broke
online.
it. Oh, there we go.
Did you have the? Did you have
Yeah, I
the
have
audio
it.
unmuted
Yeah,
on my
I have it.
Like it's just not doing the phasing thing.
Interesting.
Even though you can see it's printing
Yeah.
train sound multiple times.
That's weird.
But like, it's not.
I'm pretty sure I can barely tell that it's playing twice. Like it doesn't sound quite the same, but it's definitely not doing the weird phaser thing.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, you're getting muted. Get out of here.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I can find out why it's doing it. There's a. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Where's the train at? What is this train animation.tc?
Also, I need to turn that sound down a little bit. It's a little loud.
I have discovered it.
What? Fuss.
Go to the close the game.
Close the game.
Close the game. Set reset animation to the entry animation.
Oh, I see, because it's auto playing the other
Yeah.
one. I mean, I could
Yep.
just set it to none of them be to auto play.
Oh, I guess. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I guess I didn't realize that you. I thought it made reset that by default. Weird. Weird.
Nope.
I mean, I know what. Yeah, reset's useful for this. Can I play this song, Biddy? How about this? We'll compromise, and I will open it up on a different monitor. I will go through the music video. I'm assuming there's a music video at least. Um, and instead of listening to the song, I will show JW the video.
Sounds like a terrible idea.
This music video contains flashing colors.
Oh, I don't know if I can handle that.
Dog. Can you be a game developer and have epilepsy? I feel like the answer to that is no.
I feel like you're probably wrong.
But think about the amount of times that you have done something or you've seen people do something where the screen just randomly flashes up a ton. And it's like, oh, you're like, I didn't expect that to happen. And then the screen just fucking just like on blast.
Just not noticing the Vaporeon cat in the corner. Yeah, that's a bit lytic. He does have a cool fancy model that like animates and like does cool stuff. But then he never uses it. Because he's like lame like that. He spent like $3,000 on it and he never uses it.
That's not true.
You literally did. You told me. You told me it was at least like 2,000. I don't remember the exact price.
It was not 2,000. I can tell you the actual number if you want. If we want to pull out the actual number, I can pull up the
I know
with my friend Anui that I commissioned it from because I wanted to support a friend in her business.
All right, bro. You don't have to lie.
Type shit.
We're such good streamers.
We're such good friends. I don't.
Oh yeah, I got a haircut today.
Whoa, that's crazy. I tried to do the thing that my hairstylist did with my hair last time, where like, I don't want to say the term because this is gonna get like clipped and shipped, but there's a hair technique with a hair dryer called a blowout.
Yeah.
Which is useful for
normal.
Yeah, okay, alright. So I got blown out. Yeah, I had my hair blown out to see what it would be like straight. Because I have very, very disgustingly curly, oily hair.
He still hasn't
and I
shown
tried
me
replicating that here, and it didn't.
It didn't. Rip.
It didn't. I wasn't able to because I don't know the correct technique.
Yeah, it always feels the same. It's like they do something really cool, and I'm like, yeah, I can do that.
Well, mine is less like this isn't like something I'd be doing on a daily basis. They were like, they cut my hair for my hair as it is now, but I was also curious because my hair is getting longer. I was like, what would it be like if my hair was straight? And they were like, we can like try it for like the night, because with the blowout it like straightens for like until you shower. So it was not that long at all. All right, what else am I doing? I wanted to check. So the text, he needs to be redesigned, whatever.
Where is it spawning the train animation from? Sorry, is it spawning it from the mini map?
Level manager.
Level manager. Okay.
Level manager. Not that. Level manager is not a scene. It's just a GD.
There we go. I got it. Teleport to room.
Maybe it is a scene. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's just a GD. Yeah. There's a lot of shit going on in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is Biddy showing the video question mark? Biddy's not showing the video question mark, or period.
Why is this position is 30 minus 32 minus 20?
Because I was adjusting things and I didn't want to remember where it started at, but I didn't combine them. You can combine them if you want, but I didn't.
I just need to do the same over here because the position is off. So wait, does it do it when you teleport anywhere now? Like if you use the debug teleport, does it do it?
Nope. Debug teleporter is different. The only place that it does it is the teleport from the map, because that's the only place that function is used.
That's like really messed up now. Why is that?
What is?
The position when this ground position is. Oh wait, ground. Where's ground position? Get ground.
That gets the ground point below the player.
Oh. Why doesn't it just get the player's position like this one, so it's the same?
I don't know. Wait, what? Did it not use ground point there? Weird.
No, this one's not using ground point. I'm just gonna use this because I know it's the right value.
Okay. there's shit that I need to do. Let me flip notes because I need to. What?
Oh wait. Oh, I see why.
No, you're not. Maybe.
Oh wait, no, it's because this position needs to be not 1,000.
Hmm. Skill tips for items in shop. Is that something I did? I don't remember. What does this look like?
Still wrong, I think.
Shop. Yeah, this. Are we fine with leaving it like this for now? Where it has the thing at the top?
Yeah, yeah, it's probably fine.
Okay.
Maybe make it white. But
white.
Probably fine. The text color.
The text color.
The
I'm assuming
the
you're talking
number.
about
The
this.
one that is yellow, yes. The only one that
Okay.
could be changed to white because all the other text is white.
See, but the thing is, I'm speaking to you, and so like I don't want to
What are you
rule out
talking
the.
about?
Okay, we played Magic the other night, like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, however fucking long. This motherfucker counted out his mana for a 2-cost spell, and he went 1, 2, 3, and then played the 2-cost spell. 2. He went
Don't worry
over. He
about
couldn't
it.
even count to 2 correctly.
I was
because
just
he
giving
went
them a
over.
tip, okay?
No. You said that you hate tipping culture. And yet here you are.
I mean,
And here you are. Yep.
I hate this guy. Okay, why is this like not working now?
Oh shit, he doesn't get that reference. Fuck. Sorry, JW. I forgot that you wouldn't get that reference. That was a SpongeBob reference.
Oh yeah, I don't get that one. So why is
Yeah.
this not? The position is theoretically the same, but when it like shows up, it's like too low, or there it's too high. Then if I go back here, it's like too low. I don't know what the heck is going on here. Let me
Yeah, I don't know.
time scale. So here, that's correct. Here, that's too high.
Okay.
And then here is fine. And then
So the
here is
reason
too
is-
low.
The reason is because the player doesn't spawn in the correct spot, because the player doesn't get dropped down to the ground all the time.
Yeah.
Whenever you spawn the player in, it puts the position at the teleporter, which is why I was doing ground position. However, doing ground position in both would probably be the move.
Okay.
That way it makes it consistent relative to the ground. Because the teleporter that you were going to in the other room was floating in the air, which is where the player is
Mhm.
on the frame that we placed them in the level.
Yeah. Okay. I see, that makes sense, yeah.
Wow.
Wait, no, it's
Sorry.
just ground point. JW, what do you think of detectives? I mean, they're like,
Thoughts, prayers.
you know what I'm saying?
Thoughts and/or prayers.
Oh yeah, that looks better.
Okay.
I need to clean up like the art in the shop, like the little banner things look terrible and stuff.
They look
Check
fine.
DMs, by the way. Look, I don't care if they look
he
fine.
sent you a link to
They
the
need to look
fucking-
better.
He sent you a link to Yonkagore.
What is that?
I bet. Is it Yonkagore?
Okay, I'll watch it after stream.
Um.
It's a good song. Okay, I believe you. It probably is.
Is there any other text in the game that's currently fucked up? I think the answer is not that I'm aware of. 'Cause
The best
tooltips are
song.
all
I don't know
fine.
about
Oh,
that one when the Pikuniku soundtrack exists.
All right, buddy. Oh wait, we can't even get to the tutorial right now. Lol.
So do I just put ground position up here as well?
Probably, yeah.
Or then change this for ground position?
Probably, yeah.
Here then, this, I think you had it 32, so we can start from there and adjust. That's too low.
What am I doing, dude? I'm like sitting here just like tabbing between things.
You are, well, are you like in the middle of something, or are you trying to figure out what
Nope.
you want to do?
Trying to
Okay.
figure out what to do.
I can think of something for you to do if you can't think of something for you to do.
Okay.
You can make drops at the end of the room work. The drop chance, so
Okay.
like for keys, hearts, things like that. Chests.
It's really quick question. This
Mhm.
thing.
This thing.
Is there a setup for this? Like, where
thing?
is this
Let
a
me see,
node
sorry.
somewhere? Like a scene?
Yes, cattree.tscn. You could also work on that if you would like. You want to have it. You want to work on like a.
Where's the cat tree toy? Rigid
Yeah.
body. Okay, sick. Perfect. Perfect.
What do you do? Yeah. What do you? What?
Don't even worry about it, dog. Just like keep doing your
Okay,
thing.
I'm
Don't
doing
even
my
worry about
thing. Sorry.
it. Yeah, don't even worry about it.
I guess I take a break and spell my magic cards.
All right, buddy.
What?
You might need to be.
There's still a little bit
Killed a
left in
little
them. I just opened them.
You are insane, by the way. Like, just absolutely insane.
No, I'm not. I still need to sort these. I'm like pretty normal. Are we playing Magic tonight, by the way?
What? Magic? The Gathering?
Mm-hmm. There we go. That should
Surely
be right
not.
now. Yeah, here we go. That's right.
What the fuck is angle difference? Oh, from to. It's like a built-in thing. See.
Let's see if I can break the pause menu. Yeah, if you like
Yeah, you definitely
closed
can.
a bunch.
Yeah, the thing that I
Silly
told you about.
things, yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm just wondering, is there like anything else that I can break? Can you like interact with stuff while it's turning? Oh, that's funny.
The new page, yes. You can
That's
interact
like-
with the old pages.
That's kind of sick that it just like works though.
Yeah, and that one's broken. That one's something I know about though. Is the cards like rotating towards your mouse whenever you hover
Yeah.
away. You know, they are. It is kind of a sick feeling. Like,
Yeah, it does
menu
work.
a little bit. There's also there's a few small things that I took care of. So if you go to the if you use the sort button,
The sort button.
top right, sort.
Oh, this.
Um,
But we also need to
Oh,
make
that's
this not like
interesting.
bright
That's in a-
red and ugly.
that's in a different spot than it is on mine. That's very interesting.
Maybe it's the window
Huh.
size thing.
It might be because mine is
Mine's like a little bit weird window size wise.
mine's clamped to the right of it. It should be based
Mhm.
on the actual size of the buttons. That's really interesting. But if you press escape whenever you have that open, it doesn't close the menu,
Oh, interesting.
which is something I had to specifically code in.
Oh, okay. For this, I think we obviously either need to make it not bright red and ugly,
Yeah.
or given how few options there are, we could even just have it like when you click on it, it cycles which one
Yeah.
it is.
I mean, if you want to, yeah, we can do that. It's
Yeah,
fine.
I'm not sure.
Like you can
And
even
then if
trial
you're
that, I
on
think.
controller, is there a way to get to the settings menu?
Oh no,
Okay.
there is a way to sort though if you press the Y button.
The Y button. Oh, the Y button. I'm on my
Top
keyboard.
button.
I was trying to press a Y on
Oh,
my
on your
keyboard.
keyboard now.
So I was just testing it.
My chat dead here? It just kind of is sometimes.
Oh yeah, literally like this, where like
Yeah.
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 And then
You
we
can do
could
that.
even just put like a little Y input prompt up there in the, like the top right.
Yeah. It also follows the card that you have selected, so that's fun.
I really like how this feels. Yeah.
Yeah. So one thing that I'm not 100% sure about, so if you
Mhm.
like press like Q and E quickly back and forth,
Mhm.
you feel how like there's like the delay of the page where like you
Mhm.
have to wait for it to finish. We
Yeah.
can adjust that. I specifically added that in so it doesn't let you until you reach a certain threshold, so it doesn't look weird.
Yeah, that's fine.
But
Also another funny
yeah.
thing I noticed is when you use like these, it like
Hmm.
counts as hovering the card as well.
Yeah.
So it like plays the card hover sound, which is weird.
Yeah.
I'm not sure exactly what's up with that. I noticed the same when it was the old menu before. If you press Q and E, it would just
It-
it'd be
yeah,
weird.
I know
Oh,
what's doing that. It's
also
because the group is becoming focusable, so it's focusing it.
this over here looks a little weird.
Hmm.
Some scaling stuff.
Oh no, it's not scaling stuff. It's something I
Is it
think
window
it looks like.
size? Oh, okay. Oh, I see. I
No, it's
think it's
something I
just slightly off.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not like a window.
Yeah, if you want to
size
write that
issue.
down as well, write both those two things down.
Okay. I'm just putting them on the to-do board, by the way,
Yeah.
because I like.
There was
this.
another thing. Oh yeah, there was one more thing that I added. I'll wait for you to write your thing down.
Book bottom right box is weird. Changing, or we'll say the book changing tabs. Selects cards. Also we might want to have it. I didn't finish writing. That when you swap back and forth, it resets like back to the top. Maybe I don't know if I like that it saves like where you are.
Yeah, I was thinking about it, but I wanted to hear your thoughts on
Yeah,
it.
I
so
definitely think
that's
it should reset because that feels a little
Okay.
strange. Yeah.
One really interesting thing is if you use your arrow keys quickly and just like tap left and right back and forth.
Mm-hmm.
So, oh, that's actually more interesting. I didn't. That's weird that it's not keeping the selection there. What? Wait, are there times that it's not changing the card while you're moving left and right?
No, it is not. It's not changing the card, but it's playing like the animation. So like if you look,
That's
it's
actually
on the Salmon
really
Storm,
weird.
but it's
I'm not
like shaking the
I'm not
sod off.
seeing that on mine. Like mine just isn't doing the same thing as yours.
Very cool. Maybe it's because
Like at
of
all.
like a. It might have been doing weird stuff because if you look, it's. It's. I don't know.
Like if you're just using the arrow keys, does it work correctly?
I mean, this is. I'm using my
Like
controller
without
now.
doing it like quickly.
This is controller.
Uh-huh.
This is arrow keys.
You're like going back and forth.
Yeah, I'm going like really fast.
Yeah, if you just like use it normally, does it work properly? No.
No, sometimes. No, I have to like do it twice almost.
That's
If I do it like
actually
really slowly, it works.
I'm like trying to think of why that is. Because that shouldn't.
Is it like a mouse issue? Because I'm also seeing that the mouse is like flashing in the bottom right when I am moving stuff around. Is it like
Close and
because
reopen the
it's
menu, and then try that.
Yeah, let's see. Nah, it's still doing it. Something's
going
definitely weird.
I'll have
Because it
to
definitely wasn't doing this before, I feel like. Maybe.
like in the old menu or this.
Like
current
the
menu?
old menu before, I don't think it was. Let me try closing and reopening the game entirely.
Yeah. As also the app it's Obsidian and we use an add-on called Kanban tasks, which is Kanban. That allows you to make to-do boards like that. I am honestly like there's a non-zero chance, and I hate to say this. What if it's a Windows issue?
It's possible.
Because your cursor flickering is a thing that I'm not seeing on mine.
Let's see. So I'll open this up, and I will do this. Yeah.
Yeah, like it just does it out the box. Mine is not at all.
I'm
So
not
I'll
pressing
have
any.
to-
There's nothing pressing on my controller.
Mhm.
Let me pick up my mouse. There's no mouse input. Chance of mouse input. Man, nothing. It's still doing it. That's weird.
Tab out of the game and move your mouse off of the window. So like just click
But,
on
like-
like one of your chat windows on the left,
Mm-hmm. Now to
and then use controller.
controller.
Yep.
Okay. That works fine.
It's just working fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be a Windows issue then. Honestly, I'll have to take a look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I swap back
you
over
have
to Windows at
yeah,
some
so
point.
you can take a look
Yeah.
at it there probably.
Yeah. Which, yeah. You know what? Yeah, after stream, I'll swap over to Windows and I'll give it a quick once over. You know, just no particular reason. I'll just go over to Windows for a little bit.
Yeah. All right, bro. Also, I think what we should do in terms of UI for the right side is maybe make it that like if we have buttons and stuff on the right, you just like press A or whatever on the card to go over to it when you're on controller.
Yeah.
And then it would like highlight the right side, and then you could interact with the UI elements over there.
Yeah.
Rather than trying to have it be like, oh, use like the right stick to scroll or something like that. I forgot you can rotate them like this.
It's very fun.
Yeah. It's nice
Yeah,
though. I feel like a
totally.
lot of the stuff we have to do now is just a lot of little stuff. Like, I feel like there's no big crazy changes that we have to make. That and like some content.
Can you do me a favor, actually? Can you stand on the little this thing next to the ball?
The thing next to the ball. This? What?
Yeah.
Let me see your screen.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Is this where?
Yeah. Stand next to the thing on the ball. Put the game into like 0.4 slow mo.
0.4 slow mo.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then hit the ball. It'll come back to you, and then as it's swinging away from you. Oh shit! No, just kidding.
What did I do?
I don't know, but create motherfuckers be like, yo, check out the sick ass machine I made.
Wait, why does it do that?
I don't know. If it's in 1x speed, it's fine. But whenever you slow the game down, that motherfucker just like starts going. 0.7 doesn't.
Perpetual motion.
Yeah, perpetual
achieved.
motion.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah, Yeah, it looks like I get it in 0.5. 0.5 scale, it starts just fucking
That's
spinning
so
forever.
funny.
I don't know why or how.
But hey, that's.
Oh.
Hmm?
How are you rotating this? Does this have?
It's just on hit, apply impulse. That's literally all it's doing.
That's all?
Yep.
What? What the fuck is a pin joint?
This guy does not know what a pin joint is. I've literally used pin joints for years. I know exactly what they do.
Okay, what do they do?
I don't know.
Yeah.
But
That's
yeah,
what I
I also
thought.
added waving to the little blinky here.
Yeah.
As you can
Dude, that
see,
shit actually goes forever.
it's also like
How
slightly
like
delayed, so
complicated.
like the left one will go before the right, or no, one of them will go before the other one, so it's like kind of layered. Isn't that kind of sick?
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's sick, twin.
Yeah. Whoa, look at that cool UI. Imagine if I could like actually interact with anything here. Oh, that made a funny noise. Why did it do that? Oh,
Oh, what?
I'm on controller.
Oh. Yeah, so that actually
How
is
did I do
just
that?
did it on controller, or is it just like sometimes?
No, I just did that on controller. I don't know how.
I think it's the thing you were saying where like you had to move it twice for it to do the focus.
Yeah,
thing.
it definitely was. I think I'd
Where's
seen
your
my cursor
at?
on my screen when I
Ah,
did that. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If I bump it's definitely something with like keyboard and mouse input, because when I bumped my
Oh.
cursor, it's now doing this. So like if I bump my cursor while
I
moving
see.
it, can you do it? Let's go. We got
Yeah,
it. We
yeah,
got
I
it.
see. I understand.
These noises are funny
So-
to listen to. Yes, it's very fun.
How is your
So I'm guessing maybe there's something
I
with
just wanna, like,
Windows
point-
that makes it like always sense mouse movement or something. I don't know.
It might be because I was just thinking. I was like, that means that your game was constantly getting like mouse input, which is
Yeah.
fucking crazy. Wait, does it do that on controller as well?
But no, so it works fine like this. But as I said, if I like touch my mouse while moving it, that was on controller that I'm moving it. It now does it. So it's something to do with like mouse input, either mouse input or like keyboard and mouse input in general.
Okay, yeah, I know what's at least somewhat of what's
Yeah. Which, I mean, ideally this shouldn't be too big of an issue for the demo, because if you're playing on controller, you're probably not going to be bumping your mouse, and if you're playing on keyboard and mouse, you're probably not going to be moving around the UI with the arrow keys, but...
Yeah, but if you're ever streaming the game, then apparently sometimes the cursor just flickers on Windows.
But does the collection
that
screen
gets-
work, by the way? Is this like the actual collection?
What do you mean?
I feel like this isn't all the cards. Is this all the cards?
Should be, yeah, I think.
Thought we had more cards, I'm not gonna lie.
I think it's all usable.
I need to add a few more cards, but that's not hard. That's easy peasy.
Yeah, because I think what I did to spawn those in, I just like I did like card db.usable cards and just looped over all of them, which is why they're in
Yeah.
alphabetical order if you sort by recent.
Oh, interesting. They are, that's so true.
Yeah, true.
There's so
How
many
would I-
red cards and like no other cards, but that's... I think that's actually fine. I think the game should be like that.
Okay, I hate to do this. I'm actually gonna look up some code really quickly.
You're like evil.
No, you don't even know why I'm evil yet. So
know.
I'm gonna go ahead and go over to GitHub. And I'm gonna find. God, what are they called?
We also need a book close animation, like even just like a symbol, like it just slides off the screen. Just so it's not like a instant, it just closes.
Yeah, I'm actually
add
gonna
that to the
close this
list.
repository. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm doing something evil right now, and
That's
I'm going
okay.
along on a. I'm going on an adventure, and that means that everybody gets to come with me. So,
What if I don't want to go? I don't wanna
Maker.
go.
Actually, I'll just put this in here. Get clone.
It's magic time, by the way.
What do you mean it's magic time?
We're playing
Keep
magic.
talking about it's magic. What?
Yep. Sorry.
Alright, so this is the source code for Super Mario 64.
Also, sorry, B should also close the map UI and
What, does it not?
controller. It does not. I remember people running into that, like when we were playtesting, I think at PAX, and people
Let me
didn't like it.
Let me check
It
if it does it here.
1000% doesn't.
It does now on mine.
What?
Because I added that.
You
I
added
added
that, like just now?
Yes, I added it so whenever you press escape, it closes.
Oh,
the
and
map.
does B like count as escape? Okay.
B and kind of. So escape is specifically pause,
yes.
but it also sends the input for cancel.
Okay.
And
That's
so
fine. Yeah.
to close the map, you either press the map
Okay.
button again, or you can press cancel,
Nope.
and cancel B counts as cancel as well. So does escape. And the start button. So this is the code for Super Mario 64, and there's some code in here that I remember
You're evil.
that I wanted to
You're, like,
reference, and I just don't
so
remember
evil.
what it does. Where is... It's in BOB. There's a behavior called... What's up?
Why is it playing the card selection sound when I move back and
yes.
forth?
Yeah, don't worry. That one's one that was also fixed.
Okay.
Wait.
like this sound.
Are you doing left and right on the controller?
Yeah, I was. It's not anymore.
I believe that was fixed. I will
Okay.
double check, but I'm fairly
Okay.
certain that's fixed. So there should be an object in here that's just like a post or something. It's like a wooden something post.
Hope it's doing it
Oh.
again.
Coin something. What the hell is it called? Is this really not in the script? Could be entry scripting.
It's so funny that it says that. Come on, it's
Yeah, a
my
little
teleporter.
bit.
Is there a teleporter up here? There is. I can
think
teleport
it's-
back here.
Behavior data.c. Is this the one? No. Yes? Yes. Post. Message panel. Wooden post. This is the one. PHP wooden post update.
Did you fix the anything? Did you change anything on the minimap?
No.
Okay, because there used to be a thing where like if you would when you first opened it, it would like not work on the controller for a second, and you'd have to like
Oh, weird. Yeah,
I
no, I
don't
don't
remember
think I
what the
changed that.
issue was, or like it would do like a weird thing where it would like it would just get like stuck. I don't know what the heck was the issue with
Oh,
it, but
it
it
would
like
get stuck. Yeah, I know. Like, it wouldn't move at all,
yeah,
or
it like wouldn't move, but
try bumping your cursor.
I mean,
No? Okay.
it like literally it works
Um,
fine now.
Yeah. The one thing is there is a range that you can move the camera in the map.
Yeah, I know that.
I
Like,
just made it like 3 times as large as it used to be.
yeah, maybe it was an issue with
now.
that like
It might have been, yeah.
it might have.
You might have been like outside of the range, and it was like,
yeah,
you
it
can't
might have
move
been like
now.
outside of the range until it like zoomed in or something. Because that seemed to be the issue is like if you tried moving it while it was zooming in, it would like bug out or something.
Bug. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So I want to do this. So this angle.
Oh,
is
one thing
this.
I'm noticing is it does not unlock your movement until the animation is completely done with the train. When it drops you
Yep,
off, which
there
it
is-
should not do.
There is
So,
a method call in there, I think. Go to the animation for leave.
Oh, in here in
Or,
leave.
yeah. I believe there's a method being
Is it
called
teleport?
in. Wait, sorry, arrive.
Leave.
My fault.
Arrive.
Spawn or spawn leave.
Spawn.
Wait, what?
Leave has teleport.
Oh
as
yeah,
well.
teleport's being called at a certain time, and that is whenever I Q freeze, which is not exactly the most correct.
Oh,
I don't remember what the fuck I
okay.
do.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe just make a signal in there that's just like
Or I'll just find
Train
out where
left.
you're doing it, and I'll because
it's off of the
is it
enemy
a
finish signal
is it
inside of level manager.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a bunch of weird shit because I just wanted to get it working, and then I was like, okay,
That's
I'm
okay.
done.
Yeah.
Which I am kind of, but
This guy hates finishing things.
You're- oh, okay. I thought you were just gonna leave it at this guy hates, and I was like,
Yeah,
dude,
I
that's
probably
so
should have done
fucking
that. That
true.
would be funnier.
It's like
you know?
that is so fucking real.
And wait, what is this? How do I change this?
Hmm?
Where is it doing it? I don't see it in here.
Player teleported to mid, leave train. Scroll down a little bit more. A little bit more, bud. A little bit more. There you go. Right
Leave train dot leave. Was that it?
there. Infant driver Q free.
No. Wait, what?
Yep, going back. Quick, go back to level manager.
That's what I tried doing, and then it didn't go back. Oh, there we
Yeah,
go.
I don't know why. Yep. So 172.
Ah, here we go.
Here.
Solution, we just take this and we move it here.
That's probably like the most inefficient way I've ever seen someone move a line of code. You just got rid of the line of code in between that and where it needs to be. But you like, whatever.
Yeah, well, I did it, didn't I?
Transportation.
This guy hates when I do anything,
Yerp.
which is like totally understandable.
Back to rad.
So what's the timeline
this
for this
should-
game looking like? I don't know.
Eventually.
Eventually.
Hopefully.
Yeah, we're working on a demo for hopefully next week, which is scary, and I don't know if we'll make it, but
Are we publishing the build tonight for Valve to review?
we can probably no. I don't think we should do that tonight. Maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
I don't think it's gonna take like a whole week for them to review it, because I think we can look after stream at what they say about it in terms of how long. Because
Okay.
I think the week, from what I'm remembering, is like when I was looking at Steam Next Fest, which is like when they have a lot of demos to review.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully it shouldn't be long, but yeah, let's have to see. What was I doing? I was doing something. Oh yes, train, choo-choo train. But yeah, I think for the demo, I think we should just release it hopefully in time for the Deck Builder Fest if we can. And then I wouldn't immediately contact creators for it,
Yeah.
because I don't want it to like have a bunch of issues, so I'd like to have people play it first. Like ideally we should play test it a bunch before we release the demo, but I think at this point it's probably going to be safer to just do it like immediately. just like release it. Not thinking so that way we can see what's working, what's not, and then fix some stuff and then send it out. And we could literally just be like, hey, we just made a demo for this, even if we made it like a couple weeks before, because like they're not gonna care as long as they have a demo to play.
Yeah.
Or like, hey, here's this new demo that you haven't seen before. And then we do that. Another thing is we need to figure out if we want to have a separate page for the demo or not. Pretty much the only difference there, like the only like important difference is people can review the demo, which I think we should have a separate page, because even if people hate it, I'd like to know if they hate it and what they hate about it. So, and I'm pretty sure you can just like copy the original page as the demo page. Like, it doesn't have to be different. I'm thinking what else. That's like pretty much everything. And then we just hope that it does well. I have no clue how much like natural visibility the festival will get us, but hopefully some. JW, check your server. Oh dear, what did Shenya post?
What a terrible thing to read ever, I think.
My job application. Oh, sorry, JWord application. Why is your address 123 Dr. Pepper Lane? Bro, it's literally just up the road from me. I'm 6'7" Dr. Pepper Lane.
You might need to be killed on that one. I won't lie to you, Chief.
It was pretty good. It was pretty good, wasn't it?
No, I don't know about that one.
Thank you for the follow, avocado friend. I imagine you like avocados, if I had to guess. I don't know if I've ever had an avocado.
There's no way you haven't had an avocado. You're like the whitest motherfucker in the world.
No. I think I'm like so white that I haven't had an avocado. Like, eventually you just loop around and then you like...
Oh, your parents are like, this is too tropical for me.
I like integer overflow.
Oh shit! Whoa!
Huh?
Everything went dark. What the fuck?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I set the time scale to 0. I don't think it likes that one.
I see. And you made it that it doesn't teleport until you touch the ground. Let's go.
Yeah.
I might change the arrive animation.
Okay, that's okay.
Cause it feels way too similar to like the other one. Yeah, we'll see. Or I definitely need to change the sound at least, because hearing that same sound twice is going to kill my ears.
Yeah.
But I like the train. It's way cooler than having like a... Oop, I forgot that doesn't work. It's way cooler than having just...
No, dude, it's so easy to just accidentally run in and interact with shit in this fucking game. And you're like, oh wait, no, that's something that's broken right now. Fuck, we
need to
can't
add
do
like
that right
input
now.
prompts as well for things. At least for I think literally all we need is an interaction input prompt, and then we're probably fine. Did you fix the ammo count text size? I actually never realized it was so tiny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm doing one of the most like pointless things I've ever done in my entire life. What's a good like if we had a sound that was like...
I thought you were gonna fix this. Sorry, go ahead. I'll let you finish what you were saying.
Nah, it's okay, dude. Whatever, it's fine. What was I gonna fix?
Card drop. When you pick up a card drop, you can just like interact with it while it's spawning in and while it's going away. I thought you... Okay.
Same thing with the sticker selections, that hasn't been fixed yet.
Okay. I thought you were like about to fix that one day. I remember you mentioning it.
Do we have a good sound that's like a good like ding sound?
Good ding.
Or like let's say you were at a carnival game and like you like scored like you hit something and it was like if you hit this thing and it hits another thing, it like ticks up and does like a ding 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 or like anything like that. We have nothing like that.
No. What for? I can make one.
No, it's fine. I just if we had something cool like that would be like... We don't have anything like that.
I mean, maybe somewhere. I mean, I definitely have. I have like 200 gigabytes of random sounds that I can make something out of. we have no shortage of sounds. This might not be in the project.
That's loud. Sorry, I'm just looking through the sounds to see if I can find anything. Let me die. Damn, that's so loud. Eye down. I'm scared of this one. Yep. Why are they so loud? And is there a reason that I can't like turn them down inside of the Godot preview?
I don't know.
Godot?
That's a good question.
That's gonna be loud as fuck. I didn't even have to play the sound to see how loud that was. Whatever. I'll just choose like
Let me see. I
I'll
might
just choose Dante's
have one.
meow sound.
Where do you get the sound effects? Here, I will literally send it to you because it is amazing. Here you go. So this is all 100% free. Every year GDC releases like a sound pack for free, and they've done it since like 2015. So there's like a billion sounds. And it's really nice too because it's basically just a bunch of like samples from larger sound packs. So you get a ton of variety because you get just like 3 or 4 sounds from each sound. So like a normal sound pack would have like 100 variations of the same sound, which is useful if you need like a lot of the same sound. But with this, it's like you get like 4 or 5 of those 100 from like a billion different packs. So you just get a ton of variety of random junk. Some of it's good, some of it's kind of bad, but it's really good for mixing together.
Any such.
So like 90% of the sounds in the game are
Thank you so much, Bit. Sorry.
from
I'm not reading chat. That's JW's answering. Lol.
yeah, I'm answering its chat for him.
Yeah. We have a play sound without random pitch, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Where's that volume?
we
Yeah,
can play
that
sound
volume is-
normally. Or you could play sound random pitch spatial.
That's true. Does this not return the audio stream anymore? Oh, this one never did. Oh,
Okay, I'm sure I
I wanted to
can
make
find
these
more to
functions
do.
return the audio. Wait, what are they called? Audio something 2D? Audio stream player 2D.
Audio stream
I guess
player
this would just
2D,
be
that's what
audio
it's
stream
called, yeah.
player.
Oh, I forgot I was halfway through drawing this a while ago. And by a while ago, I mean like a day ago, but that's okay. Looks really bad. This looks like a Bitlytic tried to draw.
What the hell?
Sorry, it's not that bad. I don't mean to insult myself.
Damn. This guy fucking hates me. Based.
No, no, don't say that. No.
No, don't say that.
No,
You should not hate
no.
yourself. No.
He plays League of Legends. It's deserved.
That's kind of true, unfortunately.
What do you mean kind of true? It's like there's no binary or like
Binary.
analog.
There's no
It's a
binary.
Arrgh! I hate talking.
Well, like, I don't know, man, just like get better at it, dog. It
It's
really
hard,
isn't that bad.
okay? It's so
It's
hard.
not.
It's literally so hard. All right,
It's-
bro. Upload a video.
Boy.
I got him there.
Oh my god, that's really fucking difficult to do, actually. What the hell?
Your chat, if Dante's 9 gets 4,000 wish lists, Bitlytic will upload a new video. Go tell all your friends.
Okay. JW, can you?
What
I'm gonna
did
mute
you
my music.
do?
Can you turn my sound on?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sounding
Yeah, I'm
right
looking.
now?
I'm
All
looking.
right. So no sound. But if you manage to make it go all the way around, it plays a little sound. And if you manage to make it start, like if you manage to hit it multiple times over, it'll increase the thing. So we can make it so if you hit it at the right time, it like if you get consecutive hits, you make it like
No, we need to add the what is it? The like I don't remember what the exact sound is, but the jet set radio like
oh
graffiti
yeah.
sound.
Like yeah, you like tech your cat. Yeah, I know what you're
Yeah.
talking about. Yeah. Like I don't know.
You're
The
right back
Valorant
creating
kill
4,000
sound.
Steam accounts. So true.
You look sus today, Soggy Croissant.
He literally
You
always
look
does.
furry. I don't know. I shouldn't
Alright.
have said that.
Yeah, that's a little insane.
That might be the biggest blunder of all time. All right, what do you need me to do?
Drops
doing?
at end of room or play magic,
Drops at end of room.
whichever one you want to do.
We have drops at the end of the room.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do. We have the card packs.
Yeah, that doesn't count. JW plea, how do I get the summon of an arithmetic series?
Oh wow. Oh my god, you're so right. We should add an achievement. I'm writing that down actually. That's actually kind of fire. We should add an achievement for successfully spinning the ball like 100 times.
Oh wait, you're so right. We do need achievements, that's true.
I'm
also Moaz,
yeah.
I have no clue how to do that. So
we now have a new Obsidian document that is just called achievements.
Okay.
We should definitely write these down.
Definitely.
Spin ball in hub 100 times. And that can be fucking... That can be tracked across multiple things because of how achievements work. That's actually sick. You're terrible and ma. You're terrible and ma.
Press
Oops,
enter
too early. What the fuck did you mean to press? Like, I understand, like, sometimes I do that shit whenever I'm typing, like, I'm, and I, like, hit the enter as I hit the single quote. You're terrible and my balls itch. Is that what it is? Is it and my balls itch?
Yeah, I think that's what it was.
I think that might have been it. You're acting worse than the flat-assed twink. Well, I'm glad that we don't have any confusion on who you're talking about when you say the flat-assed twink.
It could be anyone.
Because it ain't me. I can say that.
Alright, bro. Don't lie now.
That's why. Nah, never mind. Yeah, that's the one, Moaz.
That's the one. Yeah,
I thought so.
That's what I thought.
And my balls itch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It might be the worst stream of all time.
So what did you want the loot table to be? Like, how did you want the loot table to find for the end of the room?
It would be really crazy if I like wrote it down somewhere. That would be
Did
insane.
you?
But like I definitely would never do that. I definitely wouldn't write it down because you like asked me to write it down somewhere.
Pity doesn't seem like they have a flat ass. I will not be confirming or denying any statements. But where the fuck is it? Item drops in progression? Oh god, is it this? 2 question mark chests? Sorry. Oh yeah, this thing, I see. Okay.
Wow. It's kind of crazy, isn't it?
Wow.
Yeah.
This is gonna be like floor agnostic. This is just like anywhere you're just like this can happen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Export bar base. Item drop percentage. No. Item drop chance is 0.2. Expert of our base chest chance is 0.05. At expert of our chest chance increase 0.1 and max chest chance. All right, sick. All right, loot's done.
We also need the additional drops besides the chest.
Yeah, I know. That's what items are, which I haven't done yet.
Yeah, so it's not done.
It wasn't even close to done, dog. It was like a joke. Not that you would understand a joke.
This is true.
They teach that in public school.
Okay, bro. I hate this place.
Yup. Dude, oh my god. Wait. So a fairly common dream for people to have is like waking up and then they're back in school. They're like in elementary, middle school or whatever.
Why would you like dream about that?
And like for you that's just like, ah, dude, I had such a boring dream last night. I was walking around my house. But like everybody else would be like, dude, I'm at school. But for you, you're just like, yeah. Oh, I dreamt about my teacher last night. No, dude, I dreamed about my mom all the fucking time. Like, crazy.
I hate this place, man. Also, I did take like other classes, you know. Like I did go outside sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, we've
Really?
really been over
What the
this.
Sorry, my fault. I thought the only time that you left house was whenever they sent you to that like camp thing to like convert or something.
Oh yeah, that one, yeah.
Yeah. Export var.
Are you hopping on Magic
Alright.
tonight? But yeah, we're gonna play some Magic soon. We'll end
What?
stream.
Are you sure?
Yeah, probably in like 10 minutes maybe.
10 minutes.
Yep, you got 10 minutes to do your thing.
Shield? Shield?
Shield?
We have shields in the game?
What do you mean? Where?
I don't know. It says 10% shield.
Yeah, we have shield.
Okay.
I don't think we have shield drops, so you can just leave that out for now and just have like a spot for it to be. But that shouldn't be hard to add. But yes, we do have shields. This is true.
Sorry. My fault, dog. That was my bad.
Here's the squeaker.
My bad, original gangster. I don't remember why I have to do these unready things, but whatever, that's fine.
It's probably fine, yeah.
Did I make half-heart drops? Is that a thing?
No, I don't think you did.
I don't think I did either. Just the fun part. Here's the squeakler.
Here's the squeakler.
Oh no, I totally almost did. They do have half-heart drops, however, it is just random whether or not it's full or half-heart.
I see. But you could just have it be in there or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Excuse
okay.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. I'm the hidden king. Yeah. Oh, what if we hopped on Deadlock instead of
No, Moas, please no. No, I want to play Magic.
Magic? Thank you.
Moas, I'm gonna cry if you don't play Magic.
You shouldn't say that. Moaz is sadistic.
Okay, look, we got like a little knife. I don't like the handle still.
I don't like the handle either.
Hey, bro.
All right, bro. That's you right now.
Yeah. That's what I sound like.
I don't know why the fuck I did that. I could have just like not
That's a good
did
question.
that.
Yeah.
You
Ooh, okay.
know what I'm talking
Next one.
about?
Yeah, I know what you're talking
Twin
about. Twin
with the let's see. Our item drop table, because I feel like just putting this in code here.
What is the dog yapping about?
Who?
The
There's a
dog.
dog. A dog.
The dog. My dog.
Moaz? No.
No, not Moaz.
Mm. Well, Moaz is a dog.
What?
What?
Ooh, there we go.
You know
makes
that,
sense
right?
now. That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy? Like, pretty
Yeah, that's not that
expected, I'd
crazy.
say. What am I doing, dude? What am I, like... What am I doing?
Here we go. Here's my little knife.
Yeah, pretty much.
As for Liberty, can you add Titanfall movement to Dante 9, please?
Yeah, can you add Titanfall movement to Dante 9, but without including any 3D? You just use shaders to make it like fake 3D.
Oh wait, that's kind of a sick idea. Hold up.
Yeah, no, you should make it so that whenever you're inspecting the cards in the menu, if you press a button, it like jumps away like from the screen and you can control it like it's in source. You should be able to b-hop the cards out of the screen.
That would be kind of tough.
Can you do that? Because I think that might like... That might be the move, to be honest with you. Is this even used in here? This isn't even fucking used in here. Enum, drop type. Actually, okay. This item drop type.
We now have a knife sticker.
Whoa, what's that for?
Crit chance.
Crit chance?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Best viewers.
Best viewers? Where?
Out of
Where?
here.
I want best viewers.
Sorry.
Let's see how big is this compared to some of the other ones? Okay, about the same size as the knife. That works, yeah. Or is, sorry, gun.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. They have the same time zone somehow? You say somehow as if that's like a crazy concept.
That's
that
a little crazy.
Fuck, dude. No, stop using my time zone, dude. I called dibs. Knock it off, dude. I really don't know what's so funny about we have the same time zone somehow. As if you've never shared a time zone with anyone. Item drop type dot. So half hearts, full hearts, key, and I guess that's it, right? Yeah, no shield.
That's
Fuck a shield.
everything. It's over. It's over.
It's over.
for you. It's over.
Done. Yep.
It's good over.
Ooh, yep, that's the one. If wait, what about cards? Do we just drop a card pack every room?
Yep. I think that's fair.
Oh,
That's the
okay.
idea.
Because
see.
I
I'll have
wasn't
to
sure about it
refresh
at first, then I
this.
started playing with it on here. It's like, yeah, that kind of makes sense.
Yeah, it's like Slay the Spire.
Yeah, it feels very like
Wow.
Slow This Fire, yeah.
You're from Oceania. What the fuck? Where the fuck are you? Are you talking about like 9? I don't know if you see this thing down here. It says PM, which means
yes.
nighttime.
I believe they are like 12
What
hours
time
opposite.
is it in? You said Oceania, which makes me think that you're not in Australia because you would just say Australia. Probably not New Zealand. Are you in? Is Papua New Guinea part of Oceania technically?
It probably is.
Imagine if I like rain bolted the fuck out of them. That'd be crazy, right? I'm waiting for a message. Please tell me I'm right. I know that I'm probably not, like statistically speaking, but like it'd be kind of fucking crazy if I was. Actually, what else counts as being in Oceania? Because I thought it was just those three. What all is in Oceania? A bunch of fucking islands. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks AI overview. Okay, you might be in Australia actually looking at this map and knowing that I googled Papua New Guinea
Yeah.
time.
I mean, I know a few people from Australia, and they're like 12 hours opposite, so. Which does make it kind of handy.
Yeah.
Handsy?
Handsy?
Trying to say
Handsy.
handy, but
Handsy?
my hand.
Handsy's crazy, dog.
Well, I was
Or
trying to
is
say
it
handy,
handsy?
and I can't speak English. English isn't my first language. Okay,
Handsy.
okay.
Yo, Australia is hella handsy apparently.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought that was New Zealand. Just kidding. I don't think
This guy does
that's-
not know geography. Bro is.
What?
Bro does not know where Australia is. That's a little insane.
Oh, you're in Indonesia. Is Indonesia really part of what?
Probably.
Really?
This guy does not know where anything is.
The Ant said no, it isn't. That motherfucker said they're from Indonesia and they're in Oceania. Are you?
Temper is Australian? No, I'm not Australian. That would be like a horrible fate.
What?
Hmm?
Oh, it's split in between. Okay, yeah. Southeast Asia and Oceania. Yeah. That makes sense. Indonesia is fucking massive. What am I doing here? Values. This returns an array of things. I can do util pick random. Off of that. Too few arguments. Oh, you don't have a null by default. That's fucking weird. I thought I gave everything a null by default. I see another function down there that doesn't. I don't feel like fixing it right now, so. Oh no, it's rand weight. Do I not have a weighted thing in here? I thought I had a util for getting a weighted item. I didn't. Weird. Whatever. You don't have RNG, do you? No, you don't.
Biddy, it's almost magic time, by the way.
Okay, dude. That's so sick, man. God.
This guy hates me.
This thing's always like doing shit.
What? I want to play Magic, and I have to work in the morning, so. Although I took a nap today, so I don't need sleep. I'm like actually so awake now that I took a nap. Which is like surprising, because usually naps are like terrible. It was for like most of the afternoon, and I was like, oh, I'm awake now. Very cool.
Yeah, whenever you wake up and it feels like you have no idea where you are or when you are.
No, I was literally the definition of that meme that I sent you, where it's like, I could take a short nap, and then it's just 3 hours later.
Yeah, no, I despise naps. I won't lie. They feel like...
Yeah, it was surprisingly nice. Usually they suck.
I need to stop typing item dorp. It's pissing me off every time I read it because I can't get upset with item dorp.
That's pretty great.
Item dorp, man. I'm losing my mind over here.
Do you have any solution for smart enemy AI? Yeah, Grok's pretty good for it.
Hey, you can't be saying that.
I'm
You can't be
sorry.
saying
I'm
that,
sorry.
you fucking
It's a
bastard.
joke.
Do we have solution for smart enemy AI? Not really.
Yeah, they're kind of dumb.
Not really. Yeah. I mean, it's mainly just like have enemies with differing goals, like make them have like simple goals, but then like they are different goals. Like an enemy tries to get to the player, an enemy tries to get just in line of sight of the player, an enemy tries to stay away from the player, and then it kind of can feel frustrating maybe if you like overtune them, but like that's not really smart AI. But if you're talking about like really smart AI, then I would say probably uh, behavior trees is your best option. Behavior trees are like very complex, like do this thing when this thing is true, or you know, what should they be doing with their current, set of like inputs. But I have not used a behavior tree, but I do know that they are very good for that. What if we played Rivals of Aether instead of not that? What if we played Rivals of Aether?
What if we like didn't and like
Okay.
yeah.
All right. I have like a util for like a left or right, like a it's not called rand bool and it's not called rand sign. It's like
Grand sign.
I have like a left and a right. Like I give a number and then it's like true or false if it's below it or above it. I don't remember what the fuck it is. Roll chance. There it is.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
RNG item drop chance.
Biddy, how do I
Mm.
wait?
What?
How do I make a sticker that component modifier something? Crit
What
chance.
the fuck are you saying to me?
How do I make a crit chance sticker?
Oh,
don't
new
remember.
resource type.
I don't remember
Or
which
new
one it
resource.
is.
It should just be called like property sticker, modifier sticker, something
There's
like
modifier sticker, but I think that's not right. That's like the modifiers. That's not like
that.
stat.
No.
The stat upgrade sticker?
A stat upgrade sticker, yes. What's the
Yeah,
one
there
above
we
that?
go. Okay.
What was
The
that
other one was
above it?
simple upgrade sticker, which I thought it was that one.
No, that's old.
I was thinking that they were swapped. I was thinking opposite, because stat up or simple upgrade sticker is like damage and things like that. You have like
Yeah,
a specific list of things, and that I was thinking that would be stat. That would make more sense. You know, whatever.
Yeah,
This
I think
works.
those are gonna be gone eventually.
Fine. Property class. Do we have crit chance property?
Type shit.
Crit chance property. Yeah, that sounds about right. Additive amount.
Oh, you know how to do smart in me? I hover
15%.
calculations. It's not having 100 plus enemies in scene, giving massive frame drop. Offset their don't have them make decisions every frame. You can batch their decision making. So instead of 100 enemies trying to make their decision, only have them update their target like once every 4 physics ticks or something, and then like have it offset so like a batch of 25 do this at 1 tick, then the next 25, next 25, next 25, and then you wrap back around. So they follow their goal for a few frames and then they swap it back around, but also trying to you can do some optimization in terms of the I guess it depends. You can usually find out if you go under profiler and do a profile of your code, you can usually see if the reason that it's breaking is because of code that you wrote. So like, for example, if I load in here, you're going to see that the game is going to run like shit. And I'm fairly certain it'll tell me that the reason for that is because of code that I wrote, because we have methods that are being called a lot. Yeah, like here. So this is being run a lot, which is actually really weird. I don't feel like it should, but whatever. So you can see like certain codes, there are certain things that I've written are running a lot. Whereas if it's like something that's just like you are doing, like, you have too many physics bodies in the tree. Like, for
Where-
example, if I spawn Salmon Storm with... What's the attack speed relic? Is it Zoomies? Yeah.
Where is my sticker and why is it not showing up here?
So, like, if I spawn a bunch of these, the game will run like shit.
Oh, here it is.
And I can tell the reason for that is, oh. Weird. I don't know why that crashed. But usually you can tell that it's not going to show it here. But there would be less for script functions here, but it would still have a large amount of process time. Which actually, honestly, could have been the issue with mine as well. But you can see this is 12 milliseconds out of 30.
Wait, why does this have like 100% crit chance? Oh, crit chance is a... It should be like 0.15, right? Not 15.
Yeah.
Hello, Lazy. Why is it trying to translate hey guys?
Well, because that
I
says
don't
hey
know.
goys.
Oh, wait. I see. Why is it translating that? I don't know.
It's translating it from, Never mind, don't worry about it.
Lazy, you want to hop on Magic the Gathering? On Tabletop Simulator? I'll take that as a yes. But I did not want to add all cards. Thank you. What is that? It's a little bit like Fortnite, but it's got some differences.
Now, why'd you have to go in
Moaz,
live?
we're hopping on Magic in a minute, by the way.
Why'd you just have to go in live?
There we go. Okay. Okay. Crit chance sticker works. No thanks. What? You lost me at Fortnite? What is wrong with you? Fortnite is an S tier game.
He's lying. He doesn't even play Fortnite. Like, he's literally just lying.
I also need to add a crit sound. Like a nice ping.
I fucking
Okay.
typed Dorp again. I'm gonna
Dorp.
lose my fucking mind.
Well, I got
Stop
this
typing Dorp.
new sticker in.
please.
Yeah, so I think originally I was a little worried that we'd have too many like weapon cards and only stickers that only work on weapon cards, but I honestly think that that's like, it's fine.
Yeah, 'cause that's fun.
Because that's fun. Yeah, exactly. Like, people aren't gonna be like, oh darn, don't have like 30 different
I have
stickers
too many
that
weapons. I don't have
Yeah.
enough boosts. I don't have enough.
I
Less
don't have
fun.
enough stickers that I can put on my box.
Yeah.
By the way, my awful TikTok is doing decently well on TikTok, surprisingly. It's gotten 1,800 views, which is like the highest I've gotten in a while. It appears that the way to get good views on TikTok is to just be like, what should this thing do? And then people will just like give you the dumbest, worst ideas humanly possible, but it'll give you good interaction. I had discovered engagement bait in the Big 25.
Yeah, no, there's this really cool thing you can do. That's engagement bait kind of, but like it's actually useful. If you ask in a Discord server, hey, I have this problem, how can I fix it? You will not get nearly as much of a response. Whereas if you post that question and log onto an alt and answer the question incorrectly, you will immediately get corrected and receive the real response.
It's kind of fire.
It's like engagement baiting to get like help.
Yeah. Yeah, like we have gotten, I think, 7 wish lists both today and yesterday. When we've been getting like 2 because I haven't been doing any marketing, so it's like over double. Anyways, it's time for Magic
The
Twin.
Zoomies. Oh no, the Zoomies was giving the Zoomies It was something I think was just like
He's
a
about to
fucking
open one of the
sound
chests.
effect.
Oh, okay.
I think it was that a sound effect was trying to be played 2 times in a frame, and I was expecting that the sound like player would still be there, but we have a limit on how much you can play a sound in a set of time. So it's just me being evil. How do I LF? LF is for send room. Oh, that didn't spawn anything. It didn't give me a debug message either. Maybe it didn't actually finish the room? Weird. This is... Oh, this isn't the boss room. What the fuck? This felt... I thought the boss was here because
No.
it looked like the boss room, kind of.
Yeah, I need.
I was like, ah, shit. I spawned into the boss, and I was just holding right, and then I was like, wait a minute. Ouch.
Ouch.
Didn't print anything. That's weird. Oh, if player.player return. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do, actually.
Whoa,
That's exactly
look, I
what
got
I wanted.
almost 200 upvotes on r/pixel art. Too bad it's not gonna do anything because they like will kill you if you put the name of your game anywhere on your post.
200 updates.
Yeah, it's really funny. One time I like, yeah, I think
Whoa! Sorry,
Hmm?
he just did some crazy shit. What the fuck?
What did he do?
Can I respawn enemies in the room? I don't remember.
Yeah, you can do spawn room enemies.
I want you to watch. There's a fire guy that spawned here. I don't know if he'll spawn there again. I
Yeah,
don't think
he's
he
gonna
does.
jump when he spawns, right? Yeah,
Dude! He was going to that side and he made it up to here.
that's crazy. Yeah, it's because they have
That's
their
fucking
jump when they
crazy.
spawn. The player does too, by the way.
Yeah. Dude, he's sick as fuck with it. I didn't know he could do that. Dude, look at him go. I don't know why he made it that one time, but he did. Oh, I think it's because I was in the air, so he was holding jump. Because he has variable jump height.
It's insane.
It's not that insane. It's pretty insane. Yeah, he has he has variable jump height. That's sick. Whoa, that coin sound is good. I like that.
I know, isn't it so cool? I also changed the base pickup so that way you can't pick it up within the first half second of it spawning. I did the same thing for the mana drops because it would be like if you killed an enemy and you were sitting right on top of them, you'd instantly pick it up and you like wouldn't be able to see what you picked up. But with this, it's like it spawns. It'll be there for a second before you can pick it up. If that makes any sense, twin.
Yeah, that makes so much sense, twin. I don't know my spawning loot. Aw, shit. I didn't want to be fighting you. I don't know what's gonna happen if I do that. Whoa! The game just works sometimes.
Whoa.
It's like shocking, actually. What the fuck? The game isn't broken? I was in the boss spawn cutscene and all of a sudden I'm not anymore. But the game is just fine with that. There we go. It spawned an item! Yay! 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 The long enemy damage outline merging is cool. Yeah, the it also does it with like these guys. Whenever they merge their outlines. Although I just noticed one issue, which is if one of them explodes and passes, like they don't have an outline whenever they start like doing the light up explosion. Do you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that might be one of the reasons why they feel so unfair sometimes, is because
Yeah, maybe.
they don't have the outline sometimes. There's also, who else has a cool outline? Oh, the fucking, yeah, the goobers. That's probably what you were talking about in the first place. Yeah, no, their outlines are sick. They also are like really stupid, and I love them. They will literally just kill themselves on the wall. They drop money? What? Wait, GW.
What?
Why do these guys drop money? I didn't think they would.
No, because I'm pretty sure you said it's based off of their like weight.
Yeah, but I
Spawn
think they would
weight.
have 0 weight because they have
I think it might default to 1.
Oh wait, I might also be doing something.
And anyways, we should change that. I'll write that down.
Yeah,
It should
I might
not
also.
be
It may
that.
be. It might still be using the debug values from what we were
Yeah,
going to use
okay.
at the demo night. Or at PAX or whatever. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only thing that's broken from getting out of the boss's cutscene, by the way, mid cutscene, at least so far, is that there's this fucking press E to skip text down here. It's just flashing at me now. But
Oh, very cool.
yeah, I wonder what happens if I were to go back into the boss's room. Also, I don't know if you've seen this before, WXN, but we have some really cool things with the op, how it can bounce around. Because you were just mentioning the hitboxes merging together being like a cool effect. That's been like a thing for quite a while.
We
It might also be that I haven't really played the game as much recently whenever I'm doing
Yeah.
It's mostly been
UI.
fuck-ass UI changes that I'm happy they're mostly over for now until JW's like, Betty! Betty!
We need the skin selection UI.
Betty! That one's not that bad. Hopefully. Oh my god, I'm back in the cutscene. Wait, it didn't even like break that bad. I am outside of the level. However,
that's okay.
you know, you have to use the debug menu to get out, so it's fine. Whoa, he's going, dude, he's curving a little to the left. That's fine. That's normal.
He probably needs a little more VFX maybe, and his death also needs to be more satisfying.
Yeah, he needs to like explode into gibs. Like he needs to
Yeah,
just like all across the screen.
this is true.
You know, also the indicator needs to be changed for sure. It's been a hush minute. And it's using like, it's got like a white outline. Also, those particles are so low, like FPS. I don't know why.
I don't know.
Anyways, it's magic time, so.
Is it magic time? All right. Well, that's what we're going to call it, I guess. We will be back on Thursday, April. Nope. Yep. Yes, April 30th. At 6:30 p.m. EST. And then we will see you guys then. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for chatting. Thank you guys for asking questions and saying things. You can wish this game on Steam.
You promised you to watch song?
That's
Yeah,
fine.
I'll do it after stream.
He's not going to do that after stream.
No,
You
I
need to
will. I promise.
Join VC and yell at him if he doesn't. But anyways, we will catch you guys
good night,
later.
everybody.
So, good night, people.